I'm typing down the question.
Let's say lead nitrate reacts.
Oh, we took this, didn't we?
Yeah, this is the
No.
one we took in the class.
Oh, this is a really long one, the 5.
Yeah. We'll
Last
just
one.
we're going in order of what I had.
Washing.
ثانية
Washing.
والله خلاص.
So the first part. Pounds. Well. Equation. Then B.
You're gonna solve it, right?
No.
Oh, yeah, yeah, so
Are you gonna give us your own?
No.
the chemistry I can't give you my own because it has to be like an actual equation.
I'm gonna give you a
Do another
question
one
اللي
of this.
تبغاه.
Yeah, but I can maybe find us a question.
Yeah.
بعدين صلى على النبي يا ابان. صلى على
أبان
النبي.
هذا بيجيب لنا question من college.
Let's
No,
just do
no.
this one
لا
first.
لا.
صح يا بان؟
Sorry.
And Osama,
صح.
can you
أيوة
like
صح صح
explain
صح.
the brackets and stuff? Because I kind of forgot all
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Hang on, I'm gonna go get my book. It might be easier.
أسامة
So
اشرح كل شيء
يعني
بالبطيء.
we're gonna use the book tomorrow for the tables صح؟ The tables صح؟
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we
man.
can
No, didn't you say to copy it, or are we actually going to take the book?
No, so we can use the book عادي خلاص.
Are you sure?
Okay, okay.
اي غالب انا
يا
سمعت.
جماعة برشموا
برشموا نصيحة مني يا قوم
برشموا والله فرصتكم بكرة.
والله يا عارف يا برشمت انا ما برشمت زيرو.
ما أقول لا مستحيل.
لا تحلف لا تحلف.
يعني مو زيرو.
بس لا تحلف يا بان.
انا حلفت
اي قلت والله زيرو. والله
والله؟
والله ايوه
انا
بس
كنت انا قلت والله انا حلفت.
يمكن خلاص لا بس بالغلط.
إيه أنا بلاش بقول شكرانية.
Okay, I'm back. So what pages are the tables?
98 and 200 something. About
46
98,
انت 46
246.
Yeah.
246. Okay,
grams.
I'll write that down. Let's open up.
down baby.
Come on, stop singing.
اسمع انا من جد
One
الان
second.
من جد
Be
من جد
respectful. It's a respectful group.
أسامة اليوم بشد بطلع بكرامه.
طيب خلاص.
بطلع
والله بس انت تساعدني يعني انا اطلب الان. ما اقصد ساعدوني في الاختبار ساعدوني الان
بنت يعني مهتم.
كذا تخليكم كانكم في جيم. دو ات.
طب أنت مهتم؟ هذا السؤال.
انت مهتم.
انا
هذا
لو
أصل اختبار.
اوكي هذا اسهل شيء. اوكي ماني مهتم.
أصعب شيء.
هاي حسب. والله لو خلي اسهل شيء ماني مهتم.
كل واحدة A B C D E كل واحدة point في الاختبار بتكون.
حيكون اوكي انا حسبته حيكون كل واحد سؤال.
لا تحس
يعني هذا يكون سؤال واحد بس عليه 5 درجات عشان A
ايه كل واحد له عليه مارك.
Yeah.
الله اعلم.
So Fadi, the bracket here for because remember.
Okay. Wait. Let me see if I can find it. So wait, I'm gonna just open any periodic table.
You get the periodic table.
Osama, is this the periodic table?
Check this.
الله عليك.
Okay, so lead is
PB. PB.
Shut up.
You said anyone.
Yeah, number.
Okay.
No, the number doesn't matter because it's
207. 207.
Okay. Oh, it's transition. Okay, so PB.
207.
2. Will I put 2?
The 2 because nitrate. It's going to be. Okay, the question gives you. You know the series from the question, right?
What?
The question tells you that it's 2.
Yeah.
So you know that it's PB.
NO3.
Plus 2. And then NO3, if you go to the polyatomic.
Yeah, it's going to be NO3 minus 1.
Minus 1. So to balance it, you have to make this 2. Because here it's given, it's 2. This 2 means plus 2. I mean, all transition metals have this.
Okay, so if it's a transition metal, it's going to be 2.
Brackets. No, it can be 3, it can be 4, but it'll have these brackets.
What if okay? What if he writes it in normal form? Will I have to put brackets or mush lazim?
If he asks you to give the written version, yes.
Shit. طيب, okay.
I'll show you after this. Let me just first erase all this periodic table shit here that I drew for no reason. But basically, all transition metals are gonna have this like bracket thing.
Okay.
So lead is PB, okay, and then we got nitrate, which is NO3, right? Fadi, you can check for me.
Nitrate.
Yeah,
NO2.
Yeah, NO3. No.
nitrate.
wait.
No.
Right.
Nitrate. Yeah,
Oh,
NO3.
yeah.
NO3.
And it's -1.
Yeah, -1, but we know the lead is +2. Okay, we have to for to
Yeah.
have a compound, we have to have it like the charge be 0. So this has to be 2 to even it out.
So I don't get it.
Because the question tells us it's +2, right?
Yeah.
And we need this to have a total charge of 0, overall 0.
So it has to two. So 2. But how do they cancel out? 2 minus 2 or what?
Yeah, it's +2, and this is -2.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And then you add those together, you get 0. If you only had
Okay.
1 here, the charge would be +1, which would be wrong.
Okay.
And then you have sodium, which is Na. Iodide, which is I.
I.
Let me cheat the charges real quick so I can see if you need to balance shit or not.
How do I check the charges in the periodic table?
Okay, look. You have group 1, which is all metals are plus, right, Aman?
Sorry?
All the metals are positive.
Yeah. And
So-
group 1 and group 2 plus. Group 3
Group
also plus.
So group
one-
1 is the one with hydrogen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Group
And then
one-
group
on
2
the
is
top, you have the
with.
numbers 1, 2.
I'm using Google.
Well, if you have your book, you can go to the last page. You have group 1, which is +1. Group 2. Especially if it's step other side, R50.
Nice.
R50.
R50. Okay.
Just like flip the back thing off, and then you can see it.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see 1, 2. That's gonna be +1, +2. Then you have 7, which is -1. You have 6, -2.
Okay, I'm gonna write this down 1 second. This is gonna be good to know.
Fuck 4, because 4 is just complicated.
+1,
Yeah, just-
+2, 3,
3 is
Plus
+3.
3.
I don't think we'll use 3, but
Yeah, I think
3, 4,
And then
leave it.
4, keep it same.
5, -3,
-2.
-2,
Yes,
and
minus
-1.
2,
8, we're
-1.
not gonna use it.
8 is just they're always neutral.
He said. I think he said also we're not gonna use it.
Yeah, we're not gonna use it nice, but this is the stuff you'll need for the test, so you know how to balance the equations. So
Okay,
Na
so okay, Na is
+1
and I is -1.
minus
And you
1.
die -1, group 7.
Yeah, we're balanced, so no need to add anything here. Then
No, double replacement.
yeah, now double replacement. Now we switch them.
And we do that with PB times Na and I times NO3.
So
So it's PB
first one
NA.
here. Okay, let me use colors. First one here goes with the last one here,
Okay.
and this one here goes with this one here.
Okay, so it's gonna be PBI. What about the charges?
Now we have to even them out to see how it works. This is
Okay.
why the PBI. Why not just write it down and then we'll bounce? Plus
Yeah. NO3.
no
Na.
Na. You start with the metal.
Oh, okay. Na and NO3.
Okay, so PB +2, and then this
-1.
-1. So you have to have 2 of these,
So we just okay. So we put 2. Okay.
and then because this is we only have 1 atom here, we have to make this 2,
Okay.
right? And then Na is change color. Na is +1. This is -1. But remember from the first part we have 2 here, so we have to have 2 here.
Okay. So
So
then
that makes it -2.
So and we can't have
Almost.
that.
Yeah, but remember because we made this 2, we have 2 Na also. So
Yeah.
if it's 2 here, just cancel both
So-
2s and put that the bit 2 up here.
And if it's 2 Na, will the charge become +2?
Yeah, it'll be +2.
So
So
2 minus
Based like the
2.
overall charge, not the charge of Na itself. But you know what I mean.
Yeah. So it's gonna. Oh, that's the overall charge of everything.
Does that no? The charge of Na in total is +2.
It's
Charge
2.
of NO3 in total is -2. But the
So
overall
they
charge is
cancel each
0.
other.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
+2 -2 0.
Vamos.
Yeah.
I didn't understand it.
Okay. All of it
No.
or a certain part?
Yeah. No, all of it. I don't know
Okay.
how to start.
Yeah. Okay. We'll go back.
اسمع حتى انا
Yeah. Okay.
الصراحه.
We'll go back.
Restart, now. Just restart.
Yeah. طيب, but you got how we got this far, right? كيف كتبناها ولا?
No.
Okay. You go to the
Anyway,
periodic table.
it's lead nitrate, so and nitrate sodium iodide.
So you got lead. That's PB. Nitrate NO3. Right now, just leave the numbers out of it. We'll just how we got
اسمع
the
سؤال
lead.
الليد هذه كيف اعرف انها بي
You have the
Periodic
periodic table.
Periodic
and look
table.
for it. شوف
بيرك
each
تيبل
box.
فين؟
آخر شيء اللي وريتك أول نفسها.
اي
Yeah. At the bottom of each box في اسمهم. Right? You see that?
اي في بي بس كيف اوكي ليد اوكي ممتاز صح
lead.
صح
PB lead.
أي.
Yeah. That's how you know it's PB. And then nitrate هو في page 92 هو polyatomic.
اوكي
وحقه NO3. But then reacts with any plus sodium, Na, iodide, iodine. The rules of naming a compound makes it iodide.
Yeah.
So we got Na and I. And then we look at the charge of each one.
Okay.
Lead 2, which means it's
How
gonna
do
be
I know the charge?
here it says lead 2 from the question. Lead 2, and lead's a metal, so it's gonna be lead plus 2.
Transition metal?
Transit transit metals, their charge can change.
Yeah, I know. But is it an transition metal?
Yeah, it's a transition metal.
Are you sure?
Someone, what's a post-transition metal? Because here on Google, there's something called transition metals and post-transition metals, and
That's transition metal in the name, so it's good why. We're not that advanced yet.
all right.
Okay. Because
Okay.
I've never heard of that before, so
So
Same
if
thing.
if it was just lead, not lead 2, it would be +1.
if that exists, yes.
فين
Yeah.
نايتريت؟
Nitrate, page 92.
اوكي
98.
98.
اوكي
That table, you need to memorize it. You need page 98. You need to know
مو
that
اوبن
page.
بوك
No, he's
يعني
gonna give it
Open
to
book.
you.
Like, I mean, just know what page it's on. That's what I meant.
اوكي بس
Page
أكتب.
98 and then page 200 وش هي. We're not
استنى
using that
استنى
one just yet.
98 وايش؟
200 استنى خليني اشوف 46
246.
246.
اوكي
Okay, يلا continue.
كنتينيو
Yeah.
يلا, you got lead 2, which means it's going to be +2.
Okay.
And then NO3, if
See
you
it
look at
from
the
the
polyatomic,
atomic.
it's going to be -1. Okay?
Okay.
But you need the charges to cancel out and be 0.
So it should be -2.
So it has to be -2. So we add 2 NO3 atoms.
عيد
اوكي.
اللقطة اللي شوية هذه 2 هذه
شوف.
ايش؟
عشان PB +2 NO3 -1. They're not even.
Yeah.
لازم يكونوا نفس بعض.
امم
So NO3, we get 2 of them عشان يصير -1 يصير -2. You got it?
التو هذه اوكي
Means we have 2 atoms and you have 2 nitrate atoms.
اوكي
And then we have 1 PB.
اوكي understand it. يعني لو انه 3 احط 3
Yeah, if this was 3, you make this 3 and then it cancels out. You see the charge حق compound كله يصير charge 0.
امم
Yeah. So this is 2. This is 2. Please.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Then we have, ignore this for now. We have Na and we have I. Na, because group 1 is +1. I is group 7, so -1. They're good.
Okay.
Now we go to the, then they react.
They react.
Yeah. So you have the
I
first.
get it. I get it. So now we have PB +2, so we need to balance it out with iodide because it's
Yeah,
-1, so we need 2 iodide.
Yeah.
Next part is balancing. Okay. So now you take the first one. I mean, either way, it's written. You have sodium nitrate here, so it tells you what you ask. But what you do, you take the first one with the last one, and then the first one from here with the last one from here,
اوكي
Okay.
and then you put them
It's like
together.
that, right? Always. First one
Yeah.
with the last one, and the second one with the third one.
That's how it's gonna be.
Okay.
Will there always be more than two?
I don't. Could be. If it's more than two, like their names will be here, so you know what to write.
Okay.
Okay, Osama, Na should be +2, right?
Na.
Yeah, because NO3 is 2, and then
Let's
if you
start with
cancel it out.
we start with PB and then we'll get to Na. Start with the first one, this one. So we have PB, we have I. PB is +2, I is -1 only. So they're not even.
So we need to make 2 I's.
Yeah, we have two I's, right?
Yeah.
Now they're even. But that means we have only one I here, we have two I's here. The equation is not balanced.
So we need to put 2 I's there on the left.
So we put 2 over here, like a 2 in the entire thing.
2 Na.
2 NaI. That means we have 2 atoms of Na, 2 atoms of I. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now this is balanced. We're good. Plus NaNO3. Na is +1. NO3 is -1. But if you look at the first part, we have 2 NO3. So that means this
Yeah.
is basically -2.
So we have to add another Na.
Yeah, which we already did by adding the I.
So we just put 2 on that side.
But because, listen, if it's 2 and 2, if it's the same number, don't write any numbers here and just write a big 2 over here.
Yeah. Okay. I was gonna put the 2 there anyway.
Yeah, that's what you should do. Put the 2 there. That means you have 2 Na, 2 O. Like, base simplifying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So is that step 1 done?
That is balance the equation. That's 1 mark.
Okay, that's easy.
That's we good, guys?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
Alright, good.
ايوه
شكله قاعد
Okay.
يجلخ.
والله ماشي ما ايوه
Okay, now let's rewrite it because there's way too many colors over there.
Why is there so many?
It doesn't seem that
thing?
hard, but I feel like if I just do a single little mistake, I could mess it all up.
الان ايش علينا شابتر ايش
Now the chapter 7. This question is basically all of chapter 7.
بس علينا شابتر 7 شابتر 6 كله صح
Chapter 7, but then 6.3.
اوكي بس
Best.
Did you guys check like any weather or anything?
I checked
The weather
it
app says
hour ago.
Mafi,
Yeah,
but
nothing.
maybe you never know. Because once the weather app said that there was like no rain at all, and then we had rain, and then we had no school. So you never know.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. Yeah, part 2 says if 25 grams of lead and 15 grams of sodium lead nitrate and sodium iodide react, how many grams of sodium nitrate can be formed? So lead, we have
This one, the one that we divide.
this one, we find the number of moles for each one. And here we have 15 grams, right?
Mass over molar mass.
Yeah. Right now we need to find the molar mass of each one, which we have a periodic table. So we'll be fine.
Do I have to add PB with NO3, right? But how do I know the? Will he give us the NO3? Because
No,
I
you
don't
have
know.
to take N, you have to take O3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What? What?
He means does Na have an entire molar mass on its own? It doesn't. You have to take the molar mass of N, molar mass of O, molar mass of PB.
126.9. Should I just make 127?
Yeah. And PB is what?
127.
Okay. 127.
كيف عارف
And
الجرام
N
ولا
I think
من
is 12.
The gram هذه من الquestion.
N is
Okay.
14.
Fadi, did you or Sultan take my calculator by accident?
No.
I think one of
Wait.
you did.
So my O
Mine.
is 16 times
Yeah.
by 3.
Mine's with me.
Yeah, and then what's Na and I? Just like you get them all here.
NA, I think NA is 24. Let
Group
me
one.
just make sure.
Group 1.
And it's 23.
23. Easy peasy.
Alright.
And by the way,
Oh.
the lead it's one
Did
or
you take
six.
my calculator by accident?
No.
Oh wait. I is 120. 27.
Yeah, 7. The lead is 106.
PB is I don't know where's PB.
106. It's in the middle of the table.
Yeah, PB
106.
is
207.
207.
PB is 106.
207.
لا PB معلش. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Okay. Now
Oh yeah.
then we
207.
have PB, which is 207. We have 2Na. That's going to be 14 times 2 plus 03, which is 48, and then
16 times 3 times
times
2.
yes, yeah, basically 16.
Do we have to times the
three.
n too, right?
Yeah, which I did here.
Okay.
Times 3 and then times 2, or you can write. What the fuck did I just do?
Let's just keep it like that. Keep it like that.
It's times 3 times 2, same thing.
All over 25, right? Wait, no, mass over
sorry.
molar mass, so over 25.
Yeah, and then it's gonna be over 25.
Here, I'll do it.
I'm going to take my calculator.
Or Anwar took it.
Oh, it's pretty
I don't
likely.
think so.
Do I have to put brackets?
I don't think so. No.
Okay, then you got 0.075.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, 0.075 mole, and then other one. So it's gonna be Na, 2 of them though. So Na 23, and then I is 127, and then because both of them are 2, you can just do times 2, and then over 16. So
This one I have to do brackets, right?
yeah, or you can do 23 times 2 plus 127 times 2.
This one is. Hang on, let me just fix the brackets.
يا اخي ايش هذا سعود؟
0.05.
Yeah.
Osama, after we found the mole, what do we do now?
How do you find the mole? You can answer one of the questions, which is, what is LR? We can answer C.
اه
Okay, LR is the lowest. Okay.
The
LR is the
lowest, yeah.
lowest. So LR is going to be NAI. Don't write 2 NAI. NAI. If you write 2 NAI, I'm just going to give you it wrong. So
Exactly.
C,
When do we
L-
use the brackets?
you don't have to. You can either write it like this, or you can write it 23 times 2 plus 127 times 2. Both work.
Okay.
I just put brackets so it's less stuff to write. LR is
0.05.
NII.
NAI.
No, it asks
Yeah,
like
NII.
what. So there you go. There's another mark. On this
Sounds
one.
like go down.
But what I thought we were doing
No,
number
go up.
2.
Okay.
Yeah, but doing number 2 gives us also number. It gives us a lot of them. Basically, if you finish number 2 completely, we get basically everything else.
Okay, nice.
Alright, what's next?
Okay, next. How much sodium nitrate can be formed? Okay.
So,
So
now
now
we
that we
found
got
the moles.
this is 0.05 is the amount of moles. That means this and this are both 0.05 moles each,
Okay.
How do you know that?
because that's the limiting. This is the limiting reagent. So that
Reagent.
means the most amount they can produce is 0.05 moles, because that's the amount we have.
Okay.
Okay. So then what do we do? Divide over
now-
their molar mass?
Now we have the number of, so this is the equation we're using. We can find the molar mass, we can find the number of moles. So we put these two in and then like cross multiplication basically get the mass.
And we find their mole. Yeah, okay.
If we do it for each, no idea, but probably. By doing this, we'll find D and B, and then E is pretty easy. Let's just finish those two first.
Let's finish B.
So 0. Aban, I got a question though, real quick.
No.
Sure. I know Mr. said this is right. Both of them are 0.5, right? 0.05.
Yeah, yeah, because
Why?
there are.
Why isn't this? Because we have two of them. 0.1 lesh. Why is it? I don't get that. That's the part I don't really understand.
Because you said 0.005 per 1 mole. No.
No, that's so we didn't. So that doesn't matter here.
Doesn't matter, yeah.
It matters in the not ionic.
Yes. لا انا ما بعرف doesn't matter يعني I don't know والله,
That
but I
matters in
think
another question, not this time. Not this.
ايوه.
Okay, Carlos. Thank you. So we have 0.05 equals the mass, which is unknown, over the B is asking for sodium nitrate, which is Na. So NaNO3. Na is 14 plus No, that's not 14. That's N. Na is 23
23.
plus 14. We have two. Actually, we have two, and all of them is 2, right? Yeah. So brackets plus was it 48, which is basically 30 times 2, and then that
Okay, I don't-
cross multiplication times it by 0.5. So this times 0.5 gives you your mass. 0.05 times
So what was the question for this?
8.5.
no 8 point could I think so, yeah.
Now what was the question for this?
This is B, which is asking if you have
B?
25 grams of lead nitrate and 15 grams of sodium iodide, how many grams of sodium nitrate can be formed?
They were trying to find mass.
We're trying to find the mass of sodium nitrate, yeah.
But I think
0.0.
Osama, I think you're right about the thing that why you don't have 0.1.
So is it supposed to be 0.1, Yani, or no?
I don't know, but I think you're wrong. How's come?
So keep it like this, basically.
Yeah, keep it like this.
so
So we need LR to find the mass.
Yeah, we need LR to find the mass.
And what's this 23 plus 14 plus 48
This is
divided by
the,
2?
this is the molar mass of this,
The question, basically.
of sodium nitrate, what it wants.
Okay.
So then the answer is 8.5 grams. That's B. So then we can check off B. We got B. And then same thing, but for lead iodide.
We do
Now,
the same thing for iodide,
yeah, so it's gonna be 0.05
multiplied by 207.
uh 207, and then what's I is 127. So 207 plus 127, and then times 2, because we have
Bracket.
2I.
With brackets, right?
No, because it's only
Oh,
this
okay.
one that
2i.
has, and then we only have one PB over the mass. So 0.05 times this, which 0.05 times
264. Or did
I think
did I
you have to use brackets. Like 0.05 times brackets and then put that in. And you get 23.05.
Oh, 5. Yeah.
So
Oh,
wait, how do I put this in the brackets?
You do 0.05 times this thing in brackets.
Okay. 207 plus 23.05. Okay. nice.
23.05. There you go. And now we have D. Now we need E. How much of the non-limiting reagent will be left over from B?
So let's
So
Net, net something.
non-limiting. So we had the limiting, which is LR. They have the non-limiting, which is going to be the other one.
the most one. So that's even
Yeah.
easier. And we already know that.
So
0.075.
Yeah, so
not
so
asking about
actually,
moles. How many grams of it is going to be left after the reaction happens? How much extra do we have?
Oh.
okay, so what do we do?
So
So
0.075 equals the mass
No,
over the
no.
molar mass?
No. What we do, so we have the mass before the reaction, which is 15 and 25. You have the mass after the reaction, which is 23.05 plus 8.5. Make sense so far?
Yeah.
Mass before, mass after reaction. So it's going to be
Is
40.
there an equation?
15 plus
No,
25, that's in the question, right?
Yeah, this is B, the amount of grams they already gave us.
Yeah.
And then these other two are the ones we found. Right?
Okay.
So we
Yeah.
have 40 grams at the start of the reaction. And then we have, which is, add these two together, 1 sec. 23 plus 8.
31.55.
Yeah, 31.55. So how much extra, which is how much we didn't use?
So we just 40 minus 31.55.
Exactly, yeah.
And it's 8.45.
8.45. So 8.45
Oh,
grams of what?
I have a question.
Yeah, so
From where did you get 40 on 31.55?
look, 50, you know where we got these numbers?
Yeah, the grams.
Yeah, now we just added 15 and 25 together. 15 plus 25 is 40. 23
Okay.
plus 8.23.05 plus 8.5 is 31.55.
Okay.
And then we subtract them because we want to find how much we didn't use.
Okay, and that's the answer?
The answer, and then which one is the wait, it's gonna be the one with 0.075, which is the NAI, right?
I think so, yeah.
No, wait. 15.
NAI? No.
No, it's gonna be PbNO3.
So PbNO3 is the answer.
PbNO3. So we have answer for E would be 8.45 grams left.
From
You can write
PbNO3.
or you can write lead
How do you know?
nitrate. Because look, we have this is the after, right?
Yeah.
And the limiting reagent will get all used up. So 0.5 mole, 0.5 mole, we'll use it all.
Okay.
So that means whatever's left has to be the non-limiting.
Okay.
Like
Makes
eliminate.
sense. Yeah, makes sense.
So that means 8.45 grams left of lead nitrate.
Okay.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Each
So-
part on
Sama-
its own is pretty easy, just a lot.
Can
Someone-
you give us another one?
You want to go to the next type of question and come back to this, or you want another one of this?
Let's just do another one of this. Get this over and done with.
Wait, so someone, can you go back to B?
A lot of this is most of this is B, but which one?
No,
Which part?
where we have to find 2Na, the grams of 2Na,
Yes.
NO3.
2 and
Yeah, this one.
NaNO3 is down here. This one's NaNO3, I think.
Yeah. So when I tried to find the molar mass, I got 122.
Molar mass.
You didn't put
molar
in
mass.
brackets.
I put in brackets. I put 23 times 2 plus 14 times 2 plus 16 times 3.
16 times. I think the times 3.
No, 16 times
Oh.
3 times 2.
No, but
Okay.
times 3 times 2 on the outside. Do you not do this? Yeah, you have to times that by 2 because
Yeah. I got 170. Okay.
and then 170 times 0.05.
Oh, okay.
C
Alright.
is LR
Alright.
is NAI. Don't put
Ah,
the 2
see,
here.
okay.
If you put the 2 here, Mr. going to give you incorrect. When talking about LR, it doesn't matter. Okay. Any questions for this before we go to the next one? And I don't understand anything tomorrow. I want you to teach me this shit. That's great. Yes, sir. I will. You have Islamic, so it's fine. Are you recording? Okay, head. Okay.
Allah yastur.
Not gonna be posted until next week, Wasilla. Okay. Any questions before we go to the next one?
Nada. No.
Okay, so-
Nothing.
I think we're good.
Okay, يلا. Aban, did you send me one? What was it?
Yalla, Aban.
Yeah, I sent you one, but I'm not sure if you took this or not. So
اي
let's see.
خذوا ما نبغى اشياء ما
Well,
اخذنا.
We'll go with it. So we have this time. I'll give you the equation. You balance it.
Okay.
So we have Ca, inshallah, and then we have 2. You don't have to add any numbers here. Just add the big numbers on the side. That's all you have to add.
حبيبي لا يا. You should give them the calcium hydroxide, ternate acid. So زي كذا.
Yeah,
لا،
give
لا،
give us
لا،
the
لا،
hard
you
version. Give us the
shouldn't.
hard version.
That's hard version of that. I didn't even see that one on top.
Allah.
Calcium.
What's calcium? Is that?
That's
the
what you gotta
hard-
figure out.
CA.
Don't cheat.
But what I'm not cheating them.
Ca
Sorry,
plus 2.
sorry.
Someone. It's plus 2.
الله عليك سلطان. الله عليك.
Not a
I
chemist,
know,
not a-
Habibi.
not a
Habibi, I
chemist.
know.
Neutralize acid. Expose.
Okay.
Reacts with
Calcium.
hydrofluoric acid.
Actually, that's hard. So you should like be
Wait.
not speechless. Something that's hard.
Reacts.
Not top. These guys are geniuses.
Of course.
So what's hydraulic acid?
شفت genius يا.
ايش هذا حبيبي؟
HCl.
Got a bit of hydro in there.
HCl a lot.
HCl, hydrochloric acid. We took the last year.
Yeah,
I
you
don't-
think I'm gonna remember that?
Well, that's
Habibi?
in the acid table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think Mr. gonna bring. He didn't tell us to study it, so he won't bring.
No, but that's
So-
like
Hydraulic
خلاص
acid.
okay.
I don't
When,
think.
HCl.
when I see reacts, does that mean plus, right?
Yeah, reacts means plus.
الله عليك يا فهد الله عليك.
See, I taught them well.
That's it.
Yeah, and then okay, balance it, and then
Balance, yeah.
Wait, but I don't. Okay, I wrote the two things down, but then what do I write after the arrow?
yeah, you
You
did the
should-
switch like
you
last
should-
time.
Oh,
Yeah.
my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad.
Same switch.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, wait, no, it's a
Uh,
different
some-
switch.
Wait, what?
Different switch, Habibi. ليه?
Isn't
I
it?
don't know.
It's gonna be
So, cause no, okay, look, okay, you guys got the first part down, right? I can write it now.
What's the charge of HCl?
CaOH.
Yeah, you can hydroxide is -1. I'm pretty sure you can find it in the same table. So you got CaOH.
OH. Oh, brackets. Okay.
OH2 to balance it because Ca is +2, which is only
Yep, I
-1.
forgot all about that.
Yeah. And then you got
Brackets. Allah.
HCl. It turns into the
Okay.
first part's normal, which is
CaCl.
CaCl, and to balance it, you have a 2 here. And then plus
Yeah.
water, baby.
Yeah. What?
What? ايش دخله؟
Look, in this question, it's given.
Because H plus OH, like whenever you got H plus OH, you're gonna have H2O. It's
Yeah.
water, so that's يعني that's clear. يعني.
يلا يلا اوكي.
H and OH makes H2O. Well, either way,
You have
in
two
this
H's and one O.
question, this formula was given anyways. It's fine.
Okay.
And then, okay, you guys balance this?
hang on, hang on,
لا
hang on. Give
لسه
us a
لسه
minute.
حبيبي استنى.
Yeah, okay, balance it. Okay, I'll write A while you guys are balancing it.
CA
A.
CL CL2 plus H2O.
Okay, so I think it's gonna be like this.
So,
I think I absolutely did this wrong, بس يلا.
يلا. I get right. I think I got right. صح?
بس يلا.
Let's see this one. Let's see. Yes, I got right.
CL, so that's okay. That's 2 CA. Okay, good. Hmm.
This has A and B.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, Salma, how do we balance
Yeah,
it? Because I think I just put 2 on each side.
Yeah,
Here and here?
that's right.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's the right thing. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Because look here, you have 2Cl, which means you have to have a 2 here.
Yeah.
And then H, here you have 3H, you have 1O, so it doesn't work. By the time you balance it, if you guys know how to balance, or should I explain it in more detail?
Explain it more detail.
Kind of. It's
Explain
very
it more detail.
confusing.
So look, I'll write it down here. You have one oxygen, and you have total of 3 hydrogen atoms, right?
صح.
So times the O with 3.
And then here you have no, not exactly. Here you have also 1 oxygen atom, but you have 2 hydrogen over there. So something's off, right?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, no, never mind. You have 2 oxygen here too, so that's also off.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, to get the oxygen the same, we have to double the oxygen on the other side, which is what we did here.
So it's
Doubling this
-2.
oxygen, right?
Yeah.
But by doubling this oxygen, we also doubled this, which made this, instead of
4.
2, it made it into 4.
صح.
And then here we have 1 on its own, plus. So we can change this from 1 to 2,
Oh.
which makes this into 4 and makes this into 2. Plus, you can kind of tell because this over here it's 2, so you already have to make this 2, anyways. So this one's kind of clear. And this one is the one that's a little
Eh.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's the way to describe it.
Okay,
Okay.
we did the balancing. Balancing done. Now what's
Balancing
this?
done. Now you got, if you spilled 3.6 moles of HCl and put 2.8 moles of CaOH on it, what substance is the limiting reactant? So same as
Okay.
before.
Hang on, give me a second. Give me a second. So H.
And then Aban, I think B is the one we didn't do, right? Or no?
Sorry.
B is the one, but we can do B, right? We can still
You
do
can
it.
do B. The way that you did, like the
B.
last question, is the same as the same as B.
Same way we did E is basically B.
Yeah.
We divide the molar mass over the mole.
It's gonna be N equals M.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
this
We're
time
gonna
instead of
find the
having
mass.
the mass, you have the moles. So you have to do
Mm.
cross multiplication instead.
Okay. Okay. So we have the mole.
Actually, wait, no, you already have. Wait,
We
no, no,
already
no,
have the
wait,
mole.
wait, wait. Remember yesterday's thing?
Write it down. Write the equation down. Wait.
Wait.
Number of mole equal mass over molar mass. We have to find the mass.
No, no. Remember the x2 plus 3y.
The one we did today.
Yeah. This is basically the same thing here because
Okay.
we have 2 HCl and then we have 6.3, 6.2. Remember that?
Okay.
Remember this from yesterday?
Yeah. Today.
Today, my bad. Today.
Yeah.
So
This
this
is
is gonna
really easy.
be
6.3.
3.15. And then 2.8 of CaOH, which is already just one, so that's going to be
2.8.
2.8. So that means
Limiting reactor is CaOH2.
yeah, OH2 LR. There you go. That's A. Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
This one's even easier than the last one for fine.
So I've got a question.
Yeah.
Why did you use the moles here, not the mass?
Actually, the question gave us the most.
What?
Okay. The question gave us the most. The last question gave us
Okay.
the mass, and we had to find the most. So this is
So
what
why do you divide by
Okay.
2?
because here we have 2
The
HCl.
coefficient.
So we need to know how much 1 HCl is. So you need to find how many moles it is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like today's
I
thing.
think this question is not coming. Well, it's gonna come.
Maybe it could come because this is
Yeah, it
basically
could come.
this is easier than the first one. It's just instead of
Yeah.
mass to moles, you already have moles. So just straight away tell us what LR is. Mr. Adato, just give us straight to it. So that's
So
LR.
when it,
Yeah.
wait a second. When you have like always, if you're gonna say animal like question, you're gonna divide by the coefficient.
In this case, yeah, because that's for limiting reactant.
Okay.
In the case it's asking for mass, we don't have to. We
Yeah.
just in case it's asking for mass, we just go 6.3 equals the
Equals
mass over
mass
whatever
covered
the
by.
molar mass
Over
is,
the
which
Yeah,
is
molar mass.
I've got it.
like 2 plus like 70 something.
So
71.
Yeah,
if
yeah.
he's if how will the question be if he asks for mass?
Or yes, for mass instead.
He'll just ask what is the mass of each substance.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the mass of each substance?
Easy.
Yeah. And then
Yeah,
you
that-
just use this N equals mass over molar
Molar
mass,
mass.
and you go off of
Do you need
itself.
another question or no need?
Huh?
Do you need another question or no need?
Okay, let's finish this one and see what they think. Because
Okay.
we can do the first one again if you guys want. If you want at the
Yeah.
end, we can do the first one again.
Actually, I have best.
You have more.
No,
Okay,
but we need
Yeah, I
to
have more,
understand
yeah.
this fully. This is gonna be a 5 question mark. 5
this
question,
is half the
5
test.
mark question.
How many
Wait, why
moles
half?
of
It's
the?
only 10 questions.
It's only 2 parts.
What do you mean?
This question is not 5 parts. This question is only 2 parts. The one Aban gave me.
Oh.
Access. I can add my own parts to it if you guys want. Also,
How many moles?
Whatever's coming into the test.
reactant remain. This one you guys didn't do. You guys want to try to guess and figure it out, or should I just show you?
Uh,
It's not too hard.
I think it's easy.
I can give you a hint if you guys want.
6.3 minus 2.8.
No, 6.3. Why is it 6.3 minus
2.8 because both of the
how many
moles.
moles of the excess reactant remain? Wait, 6.3 moles of OH. Wait, this is 2.8. Wait, 1 second. So let me just read this.
That's not good.
HCl is 6.3. Okay. Come on, how are you doing HCl minus HCl? How does that make sense?
Sorry, a second.
Why are we doing HCl 6.3 minus 5.6? Where do we get the 5.6 from?
Read the question, and below the question, you're gonna find 2.8 moles of CaOH2 multiplied by 2 moles of HCl.
Also, we're using that amount.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a little okay. I haven't done something like this, but you guys want to do it anyways?
اسحب عليه
خلاص لا خلاص خلاص.
Is it coming in the
Asshole.
test?
اسحب عليه
I
اسحب
don't
عليه
make the test.
Osama,
Yeah.
Osama, can
Do you know
you
what,
just help me
Osama?
with the balancing equation,
Wait,
please?
Osama, do you know why we did this?
Why we did this question or this like
Let me
The second one. How would you get 5.6?
ايش افتح انا عرفت. I looked at it and I figured it out.
Because the reactant is CA2 CaOH2 plus
Yeah, the limiting
HCl.
react.
Sorry.
It's the limiting. We use the limiting reactant and then times that by 2 because we have 2
Hey.
HCl.
اسحب عليه اسحب عليه.
خلاص
don't-
خلاص.
Sorry.
I think you know what صح.
Yeah.
You got it صح.
If we
Yeah,
have mole,
Oh,
what do
okay.
we do if we have mole?
We do the thing we did today, the really easy thing.
What do
Yeah,
you mean?
really.
Look, okay, hold on. Listen.
Okay, let's do it.
Here it says we have 6.3 moles of HCl, right? And from the
Okay.
balanced equation, we have 2 HCl.
Yeah, that's the thing. I want to know how we did the balancing equation. I'm really bad at balancing equation.
Oh, balancing.
Should I show you how to balance this one? You mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me write it down here. So CaOH plus
Two? Is it OH2?
yeah OH2 and then HCl turns into CaCl2 plus H2O. Okay, look. First thing we know,
Okay.
this is for balancing. First thing we notice, we can see we have 2 Cl over here, right?
Yeah.
Only 1 over here. So we put a 2 here to even it out.
Okay. So
And then
since I have two Cl, I have to give two to H. Okay.
yeah, and now the Ca is good. They're the same. The Cl is good, which is the same. Now let's check the O and the H. Here on this side, including what we just did, we have 4 hydrogen atoms, right? There's 2 from here and 2 from here.
Yeah.
And we have 2 oxygen atoms, right?
Yeah.
And then we look at the other side. Here we only have 2 hydrogen atoms, and here we only have 1 oxygen atom. So we have half, right?
Yes. So we need to balance it.
Yeah, we need to balance it. Here we have 4, here we have 2, we have 1.
So
Here, 2.
shouldn't the H be 4?
Yeah, here it should be 2. So
H2, 2H2?
it's 2 H2O.
Okay.
It means this entire thing is times by 2. So that
Okay.
it turns into 4H, and it turns into 2 oxygen atoms.
Alright, then we're good.
Yeah, make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, good.
I just need to make sure that the same number is on the both sides.
Yeah. Same
Alright,
number.
now what about the moles?
Okay, now I go back to the moles. Here we have 6.3 moles of HCl, right?
Yeah.
And we have 2 HCl. And we want to find how much 1 HCl is. So, like we did in class today, 6.3 over 2.
We just divide it by 2.
Yeah,
3.1, like 1
3.1. Yeah. I'll send you the notes right now. Let's just finish this question.
So if there's mole, I just divide it out of
If you have multiple here, and then for this one, we only have 1, so just out of 2.8. So then we look 2.8 or 3.5. Which one is smaller? 2.8 is smaller. So that means the LR is CaOH2. Yeah, and then the second one, ignore it because we didn't take this.
Alright, but just check if there is mole, I need to divide.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can,
What's
Sama, can you give us a quick, just a quick balance equation, real quick? We can do to balance.
That's a good idea.
سامة
Let me
سامة
Yeah.
البالانس هذا صفحة كم في الكتاب؟ نبغى
Uh,
يجلس أكثر.
I don't know. I have a page full of questions. I can send you that if you want.
This is chapter 7, right?
عمي جالس أدور ما أنا عارف شابتر 7 إيش.
Here. Okay, I got one.
يا ربك الله في المدرسة.
والله
يا
يا
رجال في مدرسة بكرة
بعدين
نسبة المطر 1%
Good.
أساسا ما راح
Is it?
تيجي وأنت في
أساس
الرياض ولا
التراويح.
إيش؟
Plus 2
ما فرق تروح
so
تلا
4 AVR plus honest
Boys,
AL2
boys,
Ah,
as
might be raining tomorrow. Just search on Google.
it changed? Weather
the
changed?
percentage.
Yeah, it looks very cloudy now.
Okay.
It used to be clear.
Okay, خد, there's no rain at all.
راهب 0% chance of rain. على كيفك.
Uh-uh.
لا مو 0 2%.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
2%
wow,
sun. That's really rainy. I think we have to stick online just to be safe.
Guys, I
There you
know.
go. I did not space it right in here, so here.
Okay, hang on.
You guys try to balance it. Send me your answers.
Could you just like make the thing bigger instead of running it down?
What do you mean make it bigger?
Make like the background bigger so you can write all of it down, or zoom out.
I can scroll this way, but then you wouldn't be able to see AL. So,
Zoom out some.
and then
Anyways.
I bought something about not being able to read, so we keep it like this. I don't think it's too hard for you to understand.
لا خلاص I fixed my problem. You can do anything you want.
اسكت.
La, we can't.
حبيبي يا سلطان
Also, I wrote it like this. You guys understand the
زعتر.
question, and it works.
انا ماني فاهم.
هسه لا تسوي خوي.
اوف.
ما فايق لك.
So SO4 is sulfate.
يا أخي
sulfite.
اسكت.
يا أخي أنت
That's
اسكت.
what use the book for. Why does that matter, anyways? You don't even need that right now.
No, because like I've always got it confused.
Sam, I'm gonna send you pictures. Just see
Because-
this picture, huh?
Okay. If you don't, it doesn't matter here, and I don't know sulfate or sulfite. Probably 8 though.
Eight.
SO3 is probably sulfite. The bigger ones are 8s.
Oh my
the
god,
small
this is the
ones are
complicated
8s.
one, isn't it, Sasama?
Don't think so. This is not going to have to double this shit up. No, it's not. But this is probably if you guys can do this, you can do because this is the hard. This is probably the hardest type of thing you're gonna get in the because it's not focused on balancing.
Yeah, I know. طيب, hang on, دقيقة. Let me actually work on this.
So if you can
Did
do
you-
this, you'll be 100% fine for the first part of the
Stop.
question.
Sama,
Let me see what you're saying. Let me see.
just see.
When 1.85. Wait, chlorine can.
Sama, SO4 bracket 3. The 3 is only for the SO4, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here SO4 is gonna be
So I'll send you that.
3 of
Hana.
them,
Okay.
and
Discord.
not only one.
Got
So
you. Okay, but
just the 3.
Sam and Jen.
that's all.
Okay.
Okay, yeah,
Now that
we
you
can
got
do
it.
this question. I think we've done stuff like this before, right, Amon?
Sorry?
We've done stuff like this before, right?
I don't know,
We
just
can do it.
let's try it. I can't جربها.
Yeah, we can. I think we can.
يلا.
Anyways, but let's finish this one up. Let's do more balancing until they get it.
Okay.
About so you were right. Pass. If you get this, then you're good for any other balancing you have.
Allahu Akbar.
Alright, how's it go with you? How's the balancing?
Me?
Again, but it's not crazy. Yeah.
يا عمي جالس أدور مقاطع يوتيوب عشان البالانس.
Oh,
والله
ترى
جالس-
تبغى نصيحة؟ ترى في شرح في ناس يشرح بالعربي اقسم بالله ترى يفهمك مره.
أنا هنا
Sama,
أدور.
I tried. Let's see if I got. I doubt I got it right though.
يا عمي في النهاية حصلت لي واحدة في الثانوي الآن ماني عارف فاهم
دقيقه انا
This.
الحين بشوف لك فيديو بشوف لك فيديو.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm right.
Yeah, you're right.
حاولت أفهم من أسامة
Alhamdulillah. Holy shit.
حاولت أفهم من
يا
أسامة
شيخ, I
أول
took out
الاثنين
my
هنا
whole
اثنين
brain on this.
هذا اللي فهمته
عم
منه.
قد عليك صح؟
والله مخي ما أدري ما أدري إيش سبب عليه. هو ترى كله سهل ما عدا البالانس هذه يبغى لي أفهمها.
Yeah, probably, this is probably harder than any type of balancing we'll have in the
خلاص,
test.
then I'm good. I'm good. Holy shit.
الآن
Because I
الآن
took out my whole brain.
أسمع فادي
Osama, is
البالانس
this right? I
لو
don't think it's
عرفت
right.
البالانس خلاص كل شيء سهل صح؟
أنا؟ ايوه اتوقع
No,
إيه
no, you're not
أنا
right.
جالس أشوف كل شيء سهل ما عدا
Is
بالانس.
one of them right?
2 of them are wrong.
اوف that's not good.
اسمع انت ايش ارسلت لي
آه.
اللي برسل لك
ايش؟
اسامه برسل مدري ايش
So,
اسامه ايش اسم الشابتر
this is chapter 6.3. اسمه
No,
stereochemistry.
Osama, just show him how to do it.
Want me to explain
لا
it to you
لا
already?
لا يا عمي ما فهمت شيء منك لا والله
Okay.
ما امزح مره حاولت افهم منك
Alright,
انت
so can you solve it?
انا انت ولا اثنين
First up, you got here SO3. Here we got SO without the 3. So add 3 here.
I put
That-
one.
You put 1 because we have 3 here. We have to bounce it up with 3 here. And then that means
Okay.
we have 6K, right? And we only have
Yeah.
1K over here. Balance them out. Makes this 6.
Listen. How do I know which one to start with? Which one to start with?
Just look at it, and then if you find something, I mean, just what looks easiest. For me, I like SO4 looks easiest, so that's what I started with. You can start with pretty much anything and get the
I
right answer.
started with AL. One of them had 2, so the other
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, you can start with AL, and then that that one has 2, and then same thing.
Alright.
Okay, here you have 2 times 3, which means you have 6K atoms. So you put
Okay.
6 here, so you can get 6K atoms here, right?
Alright.
And then AL, here you have 2, here you only have 1. So to even
That's
it out,
two.
put 2 here.
Okay.
And then this makes the BR6, which it's already 6 over here, so then that means it's balanced. And then this is 1 because it's already good.
Alright. Do you have any other one?
Yeah, we can do another one if you want.
Yeah, come on. Let's do one.
This is the hardest one, صح, Osama?
This is the hardest one you'll need. If you can do, I mean, there's probably like a harder one I have, but if you can do this, you'll be fine for the test.
Okay.
Because the test doesn't focus on balancing, so you'll be fine.
I
Okay, so another one. Let's do this one. You got FE.
Did we just skip the whole question before that?
No, this one we said is gonna not be something we didn't take.
Okay.
You're the one who said that's about it anyways. I thought you would remember that. Okay.
No, I meant like the whole question, the whole one.
That one is just 2 parts. That was just given in the question. It was just 2 parts.
Okay.
OH. That turns into Fe OH3 plus NaCl. There you go. I'm gonna go this real quick.
اسامه محمد ايش الاشياء اللي مثلا قلنا ندرسها؟ لا مثلا قلنا في اليوم في الفصل او هذا كلاس انه في اشياء لازم ندرسها احنا بس نرسل التست ايش كانت؟ تمام.
Osama.
He's not here.
No, yeah.
Just 1 sec. They're calling me. One sec.
Your answer?
Huh?
Sorry.
Anyone got the answer?
I think I got 1313, but I'm checking one.
Yeah,
one
yeah,
second.
that's right. That's correct.
That's right. Okay. All right. I think I'm good. Oh, ya Rab, ya Rab, ya Rab. Tomorrow's online. You guys want to hear some kind of good news?
If it's not online, it's not good.
In Mecca, there's a 30% chance of rain. And if it rains in Mecca, Mecca is very close to Jeddah. So maybe, like they did last time when they announced Mecca was online, they announced Jeddah was online. So maybe.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Thank you. You said something. Somebody said inshallah. I'm guessing you guys talk about the rain.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Sultan, you are right.
Oh, yeah.
Really?
But, yeah, but Mecca.
Osama.
Okay.
Aba. Inshallah. Aba.
Let me
Test
try to find
Allah.
this.
Only Allah can test you. W statement.
خلصت خلاص.
So
Alright,
Osama.
Sultan, you said Sultan's right. I got the same one as Sultan.
Okay, nice.
Alright, I'm good on balancing.
You.
Osama, when
Yeah.
it's outside the brackets, is it only for the OH or is it for the whole compound?
No, it's only for OH. It's only what's
Okay.
inside. It's only for what's inside the bracket.
Okay, that's good to know.
Okay, Prof gets this, then we're done with balancing.
And what's left then?
No, we do. I didn't even start with the notes Mr. gave us today.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Yeah. I keep
Please.
forgetting. I keep forgetting.
Please send it to him, please.
Someone, please.
What is it now? Yo, it's getting more cloudy.
Osama,
I said,
do I tell you the number?
yeah, God.
I got 1313.
You're right.
Let's go.
Oh, I would mom, but my brother is here.
You want
I died.
عادي كسي
بس اسمع من
كسي.
ناحية الطقس ترى بكرة مدرسة لا
إذا
تفكروا.
كسي
اهدى. طيب اسمع انا لما كنت في المدرسة كنت اشوف
Oh,
let's fucking
go.
اسمع عند المدرسة انتوا الان في نص الكلاودي، لكن انا في جنوب جدة، يعني شوية يعتبر جنوب جدة، ترى ما في شيء، بس كذا نص كلاودي والباقي
Yeah, same by my house. There's nothing.
ما في شيء، بس
No
عندهم
clouds.
كلاودي.
Yeah,
لما
but
كنت
back to
والله
school.
هنا مرة دارك. هنا مرة
انا
دارك.
داري لما كنت في المدرسة
My house is pretty dark too.
بس
why do we gotta live in
Buddy,
Jeddah?
maybe it's just gonna be me and you. It's only right for us.
Yep.
بكرة
Alright, what's
3%
next?
3% كل شوية يزداد، لكن 3%.
3%. Okay, we're going up. We're going up. You know.
Rain?
I don't see 3%.
Wait, let me refresh. No, no, I see 3%. I see 3%.
You on the weather app?
No, on Google. But you know, I
No.
just Google.
كم
Guys, I see
3%.
0%.
I see
Where are you guys
zero
getting that
on the
from?
weather app.
Move the knob.
Nah, بالله.
Getting a little naughty.
Okay. 3%, guys. Look at that.
3%.
We're almost
Wait,
there, guys.
wait,
It was,
wait.
it was zero
Humidity
before.
44%. Oh, wait, where is it? Ah,
You know what
Yeah,
humidity
yeah,
is, bro?
we're getting there. We're getting there.
We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there.
Let's do a couple. Let's do a couple more questions before Salah.
Okay, Lila. Okay, 1, 3,
Yeah.
3. Okay, look at on this.
my thick.
So let's start with stuff from the review, and then we can come back to the big question after. Okay,
Bubble
Hold on.
leak.
because
Okay.
we did this in class. You guys try to solve it, and then Hassan will explain it after. Don't worry.
What is it? Oh, wait. Is it
Easy, easy.
the
The one we did in class today.
All of them. We're gonna
net
do all of them.
ionic equation?
Net
Net ionic equation, yeah, Osama?
net ionic
Second.
equation. You have mg.
This is درس equation.
Can we try and solve it first?
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. NO3
MG.
2 plus Na CrO4.
But I think you can just bring some question from my exam. The message just bring the test from it.
Oh, shit,
True.
okay, I'll look at it. Hold on. We'll see.
Okay.
Mg.
We're probably going to be finished before Aisha.
Yeah.
Yeah, our pace right now is pretty good. We're doing pretty good here.
Because people like
Plus
don't keep asking questions. Nothing.
2 and I know 2. You guys start. Do you supposed to balance it, or do I just give you this stuff? I just give this stuff. I think no balancing here. Na
I'm gonna send you something, okay?
and O3. Sorry for the brackets here, but host.
Okay. So now we cancel out the same ones.
You got to figure which ones are A, Q, and which one's S. Thing is, you already did this, so you know.
No, I don't, because I don't. have my
Listen. This
Okay.
is we need that table.
Yeah, you open 2,
We
4,
need
6.
that table. If one of them is in there, that one is not accurate. It's solid.
Diggy. Let me have a look.
Insoluble.
go.
It's a solid.
248.
246.
246. Okay.
Okay. Let's show you how you use this. Okay.
Let's go, but one by one.
Okay.
I was late for this lesson, so I don't know.
I know the answer, so you guys go ahead.
Yeah, okay. Salts and alkali metals. Alkali metals are group 1 and 2.
Osama, that's the wrong page. 200. Oh, wait, I'm using the experience book. Never mind.
Yeah, go on, Osama.
Salt and alkali metals.
I'll send it in general.
Okay, are group 1 and 2. So
Okay, wait. I'm gonna write this down real quick. Where's the pen? Okay, group 1 and 2. 1 plus
Well,
2.
before this, always the stuff on before the reaction was always going to be AQ.
Always.
That's
Always.
a lot. That's helpful. That's really helpful.
Right, Evan?
What do you
Sorry?
say?
The stuff before the
Okay.
reaction is
And the
always
reactants always AQ.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always.
After them, one of them is going to be S or maybe more, but pretty sure. Well, you'll see the graph and then you can figure it out.
Okay, so let's go back to this table.
Okay.
The first thing is 1 plus 2.
Now you got.
I sent you some questions. You can use them if you want to.
Okay, nice.
And actually, they're hateful questions.
Okay.
Okay, what about nitrate salts and chloride salts?
Nitrate salts. What is salts? How do I know what something is a salt?
How do you know if what?
How do I know something is a salt?
When when it's ionic bond.
So with
That's
like
what we
Most
hope.
likely when it's ionic bond.
ionic means with metal, with not metal.
Both.
Hello.
When you have
Okay.
metal and non-metal. I think so. I'm not sure.
I mean, like,
I sent the table in general.
yeah. Well, we don't even send the table, so.
So I
Oh,
think when we got metal and non-metal, or
No.
from group 1 to 3 to group
So like
5
nitrate with a metal, or chloride with a metal. Yeah.
What does soluble mean? Soluble means it's
It melts in
dissolved in
water.
water.
AQ.
Yeah. Salt and alkali metals will melt in water. So AQ.
Because Sam, they need help. Like when you
don't-
always see Na
So,
and
listen.
NO3.
Basically, they're all AQ except for the last one. So what's the last one?
Last one is going to
No,
be
no.
carbonates, phosphates, chromates,
Class, easy. So we just take that from the other table,
and then we go to page 92. Yeah,
and we see if they're
And then-
solid.
and
Solid.
then see if you got any of those in here.
Okay, let's do that.
I want is always one of them only going to be solid, or could it be more than one?
Like for now, it's only one. For now.
For us, for the test, Danny, tomorrow's only going to be one.
Yeah, and لازم because not go like deep into chemistry.
خلاص كده. So
So I think it's gonna be only one.
basically, just
Maybe.
kind of focus. Try to basically mainly focus on the last rule. Try to find if you can find something that's going to be insoluble.
But look,
Only here soluble is chromate.
Yeah, chromate.
yeah,
Chromate. So that means MgCrO4 is going to be the solid here.
All right, and I
And the
don't
other one
understand
is
the
AQ.
spectator. The spectator ions.
لسه باقي.
So we get
I'm
and now everything that's AQ.
Now we delete the same ones, huh?
Yeah,
The ones
no,
that are alive.
Yeah, I'm just spaced on here. But basically now you have to separate all of them apart. So Mg, but what's it called? Polyatomic keep them together. So Mg plus NO3, and then 2 over here. Also, you got to write all their charges. So let me see.
Mg is +2.
Plus
NO3
minus
is
1
-1.
plus
It's
Na
+2.
صل على النبي يا رايف.
راهف
ما سويت حاجة.
minus 2. And then the solid, you keep it together completely. So it's going to be MgCrO4
See.
and then plus 2 Na, which Na is again plus 2, and plus NO.
We write it as wait, are we don't write AQ with this stage?
Nice one. Huh?
I don't think
We
you
don't
have
write AQ on the stage?
No, you do. Yeah. I forgot.
Isn't it NO3, not NO3 at the end?
It's Na and then plus NO3. You gotta
yeah.
separate.
Osama, I have a
because
question.
it's not solid. صح؟
Is it balanced strong upon?
No. But you forget the two and Na. Na is O4. Forget SR. It's CrO4. CrO4 it's -2. Na it's +1. صح? Wait a second. I'm gonna check.
Well, is it? Wait, did I write it wrong? Maybe. I don't know.
Because like MgCrO4 like
Yes,
Mg is +2.
Na is +1. So fine. You give me wrong. +1.
It is?
Yeah, +1.
Yeah,
So,
because it's group 1.
On
Oh.
But
Oh, yeah,
Osama,
no,
I have a question.
Osama,
how do we cross
aren't you
it out?
supposed to
When
we
I-
don't put the brackets?
huh?
We don't put the brackets with CrO4 like the
Uh,
one we did above?
None. I mean, I wrote it wrong. If you have 2 over here, then you write the brackets. If you don't have 2, you don't write the brackets. I just
Oh, so no
Mistake.
brackets.
mistake from me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it
Cool.
MG? Okay. So
MgCrO4.
MgCrO4.
Yeah, because it's solid. Keep it all together.
What's the 246?
That's the page.
Plus
So
2.
Osama, I have a question.
A.
Yeah.
So you wrote here Mg in O3 2. Okay, in O3 2 outside the brackets. Now on the other side on the products. So I'm gonna have also NO3 2.
Yeah, because you have the 2 over here. Come on.
No, leave the two here. Leave
Leave the
this
2 يا حبيبي.
I'm talking about like in general. The Na is gonna react with NO3 2 or NO3 only.
You have 2 Na that reacts with 2 NO3.
I mean, leave the two there. I'm talking about like in general.
Yeah, Na reacts with NO3.
Reaction on NO3.
Yeah.
Huh? So like I meant to say NO3 like 2, yeah? Like how do I explain it, يا أخي?
No, you mean 2 over here? No. ولا ايش قصدك؟ لا ولا
Yeah, it's over here, two over there.
لا عشان شوف it's 2 over here and 2 over here. So instead of writing this,
Leave. I'm look. يا أخي. How am I explain to this guy? يا حبيبي.
هذا سامح ما
الله.
am I not getting? You guys know what he's saying?
يا حبيبي leave the 2 يا أخي.
Leave the 2 man.
Then he's saying 2 over here, but then he's saying leave the 2.
يا
Oh,
حبيبي
wait.
يا الله, I'm gonna explain to
I
you.
can discuss
Now,
it
in all,
tomorrow.
Aban, you share screen and share paint and show me what you mean.
but if I'm gonna like if I'm gonna share, if I'm gonna share, it's like I'll not be able to talk
What?
Why not? Are you on
because
your
I'm
phone?
using my yeah, what?
Are you using your phone?
Yeah, I'm using my phone.
Just take a screenshot or some shit. I don't know.
Okay, so let's get back to here. CrO4 -2, and then on the other side CrO4. Do we cancel both of them out?
No, because these are
No.
solids in one thing. You don't cancel that out.
Okay.
So we cancel out the 2NA?
You cancel out the 2Na, the 2NO3, 2NO3, 2Na.
And that's it. So then we're gonna have
And then you rewrite it. Yeah.
Mg,
AQ
CrO4.
plus. We have to write it with the charge, right?
Yeah, +2 and then AQ.
Plus CrO4 -2 AQ. No, wait,
Spectator ions.
solid.
No, here AQ, and then it turns into MgCrO4 solid.
AQ, and then MgCrO4 solid.
And that's the
then-
answer.
And
And
then
that's the
these,
answer?
these,
Yeah,
All-
these are the spectator ions.
yeah, these entire things are spectator ions.
Like,
All right, what's
I'm
next?
gonna screenshot this.
What's next, Osama?
خلاص, I got my question. I'm gonna ask
I think
another
خلاص
time.
we finished everything.
We did?
No,
Okay,
no,
right,
please.
I'm
What's
happy.
more? What's
This
more
question,
then?
yeah, we're done with this question.
Wait, Sama, can you go back real quick? I just want to copy it down without
Well,
like
no.
scribbles.
يلا بس أنا no خلاص, I'm gonna ask the question خلاص يعني probably الحين when Na reacts with NO3 too, okay, you got it. Okay, عشان تفهم
So
أكثر.
when Na
Yeah, reacts
reacts with
NO3 خلاص بس stop. Thank you, stop. Okay.
different.
Now we've got Na plus 1 and NO3 minus 1, صح?
Mhm.
Yeah, but you wrote in the products in Na NO3 too. Why?
NaNO3, but then 2.
Not this two. Wait عشان تفهم أكثر.
There's a lot
Now,
of
you know
2s.
something called
The
double
only,
replacement,
the only number we use is 2, so you can't blame me here.
اصبر فهمت.
This
You
2,
know, there's something called double replacement, صح?
yeah, which is what we did
You're
here.
gonna take that.
Yeah, we did that here.
أيوة, we did it. أصلا you're gonna always do it. Now we took NO3 2 with Na, well, we took NO3 only with Na.
We took all of this
Yeah, with the two, صح?
with the 2s.
With
All
the
the 2s.
two.
We took the 2s.
Okay, خلاص, thank you, خلاص.
And then because 2 and 2, we simplify it and put the 2 over here.
Okay,
Amazing.
that's not my point. خلاص, thank you, خلاص.
But
It's amazing. It's amazing, Aban. You talk a lot, but nothing that you say means anything.
Yeah,
Okay,
Allah
Sama,
يهديك.
I have some question about 2s too. You see MgNO3 and then you have the bracket 2, right?
MG.
First one.
At the beginning.
Yeah.
That 2, did we put it at the beginning instead? You see Mg plus
Because-
2 NO3?
Because we also have 2 Na, so it's 2 here and 2 here. And instead of
Yeah.
writing 2 here and 2 here,
Yeah, I mean in the next step down. Below it, just right
Oh,
below it. You see
we
2
took 2
NO3?
Na. Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That just instead of being here, it went here.
طب
Don't worry,
I have another question. I have another question.
my 2 question isn't as confusing.
Yeah, and it's not this.
Osama.
Not
I have a question. Another question.
Yeah, one.
Wait.
You're gonna
Mine
say that-
first. Mine first.
Okay, طيب يلا طيب يلا.
Yeah, Osama.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, I forgot.
Good.
Okay, Aban, you wanna say your question?
Yeah, my question is.
No, wait. I got it.
خذ.
Yalla.
Osama, how many lessons do we have left?
We have questions left. I don't know how many.
How
So
many
the
questions
first
do we have left?
A couple. But let me count here. Let me look. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 from the notebook, and then if you guys don't understand something, we can do that. We can do whatever you guys want again.
يلا خلاص خلصت question. يلا my question.
اسمع سامع before صلاة اديني بس واحد سؤال بالانس.
Balancing.
Hang on,
أتعلم.
let me just finish writing, please.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
'Cause I want to
Yeah,
screenshot
Sam,
this.
my question is like. Listen, my
Yeah.
question. we're gonna say the Na was 1 in the reactants. Look,
لا it was 2.
لا يعني imagine يعني تخيل كذا it was 1 okay.
For fun يعني يلا.
Yeah,
Imagine it was 1.
1. If you're gonna make or do double replacement, it's gonna be NaNO3 صح؟
NO3 2 because we have 2 NO3. Are we also imagining that NO3 is 1?
We're gonna take لا don't imagine NO3 1 I wanted to
NO2 NO3 بس معنا one of them.
NO3 2
NO3 2 طيب yeah.
react with one N1 and like one like Na.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's gonna يعني يا الله هذا
So your question just
look.
this is why it doesn't
يا
work.
الله خلاص اسمع I'm gonna send you something and you see okay.
Good
Bye.
luck, Osama.
A bit more confusing
You're
than
not.
discussion.
He's not saying anything.
I don't
All
know.
I understood with that is Osama, not that two, the other two.
But you don't know what that 2 or the other 2 is.
Nope.
I didn't understand anything.
اسامه
Just speaking
خلاص
words.
بعد
يلا
الصلاة.
يلا balance. Let's find you a question here.
Balancing?
ولا
Still more balancing?
اسمع بعد الصلاة بعد
Yeah.
الصلاة باجي.
I'll write one down. And if you come back early, you can do it while I pray. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Pretty challenging.
Question 3 was pretty hard.
But you guys gonna go pray?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
starting this
I
Friday.
need to charge my phone.
Derby.
Close.
Osama.
Yeah. Hold on a second. Let me just finish writing this.
يلا wait a second I'm gonna send it here. Look here, look. So I want to go to pray. Look.
MgNO3 plus NaCl.
Did you get it?
It don't work because it's gonna
Yeah.
be the NaNO3 is gonna be -1. It's gonna be it's gonna be like an ion.
It doesn't work صح? It doesn't work صح?
It doesn't work because NaNO3 2 would be like an ion.
We're gonna take the Na with NO3 2 صح؟
I mean, if we're doing double replacement, yeah, we have to. But then
خلاص okay, thank you.
the equation isn't balanced. That's not.
What did you say? Leave this. What did you say?
The equation isn't balanced. Then
قبلها
it doesn't work because the equation isn't balanced. Double replacement, but doesn't work because it's not balanced.
حبيبي this is the reactants not the product.
Yeah, but the reactants aren't even balanced.
So I'm gonna send you something okay. روح صلي خلاص روح صلي.
Yo, that's a lot of words. Not even words.
Yeah, I'm gonna send something back to you okay.
Doesn't look like you even took this. Giant Che Menendek doesn't exist. Wow. Okay.
الله
يلا
شفت هذا الاكزام قصدك اياها اللي هي الاي كيو بلس اي كيو like اعطينا two question from it okay from 9 and 10 or 11 and 12 don't give us like the 6 7 8 because they're easy اعطينا تحت الاصعب okay يلا سلام يلا باي
Okay, yeah, the words. Okay, yeah.
yeah, be right back.
يلا I'll go back.
الو. الو.
You all guys back.
الو
إيه.
اسمع
Yes. How does he does it?
هذه تدل
أيوه.
على اني افهم بالعربي ولا لا. يا رب
Let
يا رب اسمع اهم شيء ما تقولي لا، ما تقولي
me
غلط.
let me find the question. Where do I write this? Okay,
هي
يلا. What's the answer?
If I want to memorize those.
for NA in both side 2 وهذه 1
إيه.
يعني صح؟
Hey, both NA 2
يعني
بعدين
2 1 2 1
2 1 2 1 صح.
يا حبيبي جبت سؤال ثاني. انا الان
والله.
راضي عن نفسي، يعني انه مشكله مو مني لانه مره ايزي يا عمي، طلع مره ايزي.
Yeah, it's not that hard to balance.
طيب انا ليش ما كنت افهم؟ انا كنت
I don't.
احسب انك بتخش الكتاب وتشوف الان اي كم وتروح بعدين.
لا. I mean, maybe my explanation's bad.
لا مو يمكن انا ما افهم انجليزي والله بجد.
Boston's.
يعني
Let's get to the check.
يعني
Yeah,
لما
try
طلع
this one.
الموضوع والله مره ايزي، والله مره ايزي لما شفته. ابان اي لوف يو مان.
هلا
انت ما رسلت لي مقطع بس قلت لي حيكون مره سهل عليك.
هي
أنا
كنت
جالس
ارسل
أشوف
مقطع
حاجة.
بس
انا جالس اشوف حاجه اصلا ما ادري كيف ما كان يحلها. انا ما كنت احلها كيف. مره سهله والله مره سهله. انا غبي ولا ايش كنت؟
لا
والله
دائما
حلو.
لما
man.
دائما بتاخذ اي شيء حان انك تلاقي شرح بالعربي على طول. دائما تفهم العربي اكثر، فحاول تلاقي اي شيء شرح بالعربي يعني افضل لك. وانا بعض الاحيان اسويها ترى، اي شيء بالانجليزي لو ما افهمه يوتيوب شرح بالعربي افضل لي.
1 minute. انا خليني احل هذا. عندي سؤال
والله
الحين
حلو.
لو سمحت.
Don't
صرت انا
annoy me, bro.
ساندويتش.
خذ وقتك.
مشكلة اخترت سؤال يعني عقد شوي لكنه انحل.
يعني الحل سهل.
Yeah, you got this. You got this.
Actually, Sam, this question is amazing. You know why?
A little trick.
Yeah, and also there's a point of doing this actually.
If we can do this, he can do the bouncing حق other stuff. خلاص.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Chop out while I stop and a dip and a scope.
خلاص لازم.
انا عرفت.
You got the answer?
العولة يعني المهم 2
Yeah.
2 3
Yeah.
Nice.
الله.
حبيبي والله مرة ايزي، والله مرة
شفت
ايزي.
كيف؟
Us.
He understands it. خلاص.
Yeah. That's it. You got
Yeah,
it.
خلاص.
انا
got it,
عارف.
Too easy. Too easy.
يا شكلي بشوف اللسن اترجمهم بالعربي اروح يوتيوب، هذا شكل اللي حيصير.
هي زي كذا والله احسن شيء.
والله يا عيال انا مرة دم كنت. كيف كنتوا انتم متقبليني لو اني ما اعرف؟
كنت
والله سرندر على حاجة تافهة عاد بالانس اقول وبالانس شيء مهم. انا غبي مع
Yeah.
احترامي
How does he
كامل.
does it?
ترى بكمل نفسي.
اهم شيء عدينا المرحلة، الان نبغى المرحلة التالية. خلاص
Dude.
ممتاز. اهم شيء حسان هذا الفيديو ينزل، لانه اذا ما نزل انا بموت. والصورة نزلها، الصورة هذه اهم شيء لانه الصورة يعني على طول فهمت.
Yeah.
حسان ضروري ينزل مقطع من بدري، والله مرة ضروري.
شوف it's not his fault. It's just the download حقه ما النت شكله بطيء مرة. عشان
هو
كذا
مش
يعني.
داونلود، تدري ليش؟ لا اسمع، تدري ليش؟ لانه ما بين الصلاة المفروض خلاص يوقف يقول بارت 1 بعدين يبدا يسجل، لانه هذه الوحدة وقت.
خلاص خليها. Should he stop now and record again?
لا خلاص قد خلص الصلاة ورجع.
Yeah, and then you can record while we're studying. أحسن كذا. thing is علقة شوف. For me, when I record, هو يوصل 9 دقيقة مرة
I
بسرعة.
say
بالضبط.
اسمع. I say everyone records on their own. خلاص. مو لازم on YouTube. خلاص.
That could actually work.
Everyone records their own shit if they want to. If they don't want to, خلاص.
Yeah.
Deal with it.
If they don't want to, they just. I mean, Raf kind of needs it because he's on his phone.
الصورة مهمة.
So yeah, I'll send it.
Yeah. How does he does it?
والله انا انسان فرحان صرت.
انت
كويس يا
لعيب،
مستر عمار. مستر عمار كان يقول لي تقدر تحلها وانا مره بستسلم.
Oh, it works for you. Just Arabic. الحين احسن لك.
هي دب خلاص خلاص.
Sure. I'll now.
يسود عربك تيست.
Welcome Arabic test.
ما كان يسود عربك تيست يا حسان بس يلا.
صح حسام do you have easy عربي test ولا لا؟
No. Not this week.
كم ايزي
No, I
عربك
mean next week.
يعني خايف يا سلطان.
Huh?
Next week.
I don't know. He'll tell us.
انت لعيب يا حسان، انت احسن واحد قد شفته في حياتي.
ساندر قاعد يكذب عليك.
مين قال؟
انا قلت
Well, he said right.
Damn.
آه.
Man, Osama, come on, am I wrong?
Oh,
No, you're
that's
no,
hurt.
you're wrong, bro. You're wrong.
I'm wrong?
You're wrong, bro.
Of course I'm wrong, because Hassan's him.
Exactly.
God, I'm
Hassan,
such a drifter.
you
Yeah.
get the roll for the next minute.
Hassan, you want to see my car?
So you have the roll. You have the roll now for the next minute. Do what you want.
Hold on, let me just show screen.
يا اسامه طلع النبي ها.
He has. I didn't do anything. He has the roll.
هي
What about
مين
me?
سلطان
Hassan.
حسان
اللقطة دي.
Yeah, Hassan, you gotta let him make fun of your laugh like that.
what
حسان
You have 25 more seconds, bro.
and Osama give it to Sultan after that okay.
Yeah. Don't worry. It's all planned out. It's all planned out. Equality. This is what we go for in the server. We go for equality.
يا سلام.
على طول. Hassan, last 5 seconds. Hey, I'll ban you if you ban him, but chill out. Well, ايش how do you remove him?
اسمع اسامه. الان
Come on,
مستر عمار يساعد صح؟
Sultan, chill out. You know he has another. Oh, he's gone. Huh?
اسمع مستر عمار يساعد صح؟
ايش هذا؟ I'm gonna fucking.
Ah.
Sultan, chill out. Sultan, you don't have a roll anymore.
It's gone
الان خلاص هدوء ما علينا
لا
منك.
لا لا.
اسامه الان مستر عمار يساعد لو وريته اني فاهم الستيبل بس تعرف مثلا فورجيت كيف اسوي فهمت؟
حسن شوف.
مو فورجيت
يبي يساعدك شويه يقول لك لا سوي زي كذا
أوكي.
يبي يساعدك لو انت حليت كذا شويه يساعدك شويه كمان.
Hello? Did I miss anything?
No, you're just sucking. عادي.
عادي.
bouncing.
انا اسطوره.
Hey, does it do it now?
ايزي يا عم. تبغاني اقول لك الاجوبه؟ اقول لك
No,
no,
don't
man.
worry. I don't need to know.
يعني مره ايزي طلع بس انا دم
Bro.
ولا ايش
Look
هذا؟
at this. Look at this drift.
حسان تقدر تحل هذه
shit.
الأجوبة؟ اسئله حسان حلها هذه اللي كاتبها اسامه.
He doesn't know. how. يا خالد.
شوف لا خلاص
تكبر عالق خلاص تكبر ما حد زيك عالق تكبر.
كثير
Hey,
واحد.
يلا. Let's continue. Let's finish before Aisha.
يلا.
where's Rafat? Why is he not here?
He's
He
gone
said he's gonna,
sleeping.
he said he's gonna sleep.
خلاص okay.
حسان بليز ذا فيديو
Yeah. How does he does it?
Okay.
If I
Hello.
want to remember how does it.
Let's see what we got.
Moonwalking.
Close your eyes.
Oh, so we got stuff that's left now.
What
And
is
then
it?
we can do the
It's just-
the big question again.
Again?
Just one more time. Yeah.
Okay. What if I give you the big question and you guys solve it and I give you your answers?
No, let's do that
Want me to go
last.
through it again?
Let's do that
Yeah,
last.
last.
Dead last.
What did you say? Yeah, you give us the question and we solve it.
Okay, now what's left is just the X and Y ones.
Oh, nice.
I mean, for this one, I can give you my own numbers if you guys want.
Yeah,
matters.
give us.
I said that one's really easy. Come on.
Yeah, like, you have
Let's do it. Let's do it. Relax.
Yeah, we're
Five
gonna do it.
plus
Yeah.
4Y plus 7C.
Oh,
Turns into
three
Hassan,
numbers.
it's so easy.
Let me see. Okay. This one is 75 moles. This one is 20. Actually,
Osama, how about can you give it to us in like a written version?
70 moles. Yeah, okay. Let's do this one. Then the next one I'll give you written.
All right.
And then this one is going to be 110. 50 moles. What
150 اوف
what is LR?
حسان انت قاعد تتكلم اوكي
What is the non-limiting? Non-limiting. Let's actually no, that doesn't matter.
Osama,
Both
no,
of
what's
them.
the
Ah,
difference
yeah.
between non-limiting and limited?
Limiting LR is like okay. Let's analogy real quick, okay?
Wait, can you go
No.
up just one second?
Okay.
Okay, you're good.
Okay, limiting. Let's say you got okay. You need 2 wheels and metal to make a bike, right? Or a car. So you need one
Yes.
box, 2 wheels, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You have 6 wheels plus 6 wheels, and then you have 10 car boxes. Which one is limiting? Which one is gonna run out first?
10 car boxes.
No,
Six.
6 wheels. Six is
Wheels,
gonna run out
Gabel.
first
Oh yeah,
Because-
oh yeah.
because you use 2 wheels each time, and then you only have 3 cars by the end of it. And
Oh,
then
yeah,
the
okay.
non-limiting one is the one you still have left over, which is gonna be 7 car boxes.
Basically leftovers.
Left over is the non-limiting one because you still can use it if you had more.
Okay.
6 is limiting because it stops you when you run out of it.
Okay, how would you give us an example of the other, like, the leftover?
What do you mean leftover?
Like, go up. You know how we have
This one?
LR, yeah. Now like, give us a question for the other one.
So,
left
so wait,
over.
wait, so
Only for
Sama.
this?
Sama, so if it's
You
LR,
asked
we
what is
find-
LR, we find the
Yeah.
lowest, and now we find the missing.
In this case, it would be just the other two. Other two would be non-limiting because you still have them left over.
Okay, yeah, true.
So like let's just say X is LR. I don't know which one it is.
And we
That's-
add them, right? We add them, and that's the.
No,
So-
No, you don't add them.
Okay.
What do you mean add them? Add them for what?
Like, wouldn't we add them because they're both the leftovers?
No, you only have one left over. The one that's the least. Oh, the
Okay, so-
leftovers. Oh,
Yeah, leftovers.
no. Y.
Because the LR is X, and then we
Yeah.
still have Y, and we have C.
Y and C are both non-limiting.
Oh, okay.
You don't add them together. Y and C are just non-limiting. It's not 4. You don't write 4Y or you don't write 5X. You don't
Yeah.
do that. LR.
Oh,
is
wait,
X.
wait.
the
Okay.
LR is X. Yes.
Arbon?
So if you wanna just find the mass of 2 A, B, C, we're gonna use the X, yeah,
You can use X, yeah.
and the
Okay.
Y and C are the non-limiting, صح?
Yeah, they're both non-limiting because you still have them left over after the reaction.
Yes.
Good job, Avan.
Fine, can shut up.
Saying
Oh,
you
I'm
did a
just
good job,
saying
man.
good
Why are you so
job,
mad, bro?
Why are you mad?
Why are you mad, bro? He's encouraging you.
I'm not mad.
No,
الان اسمع
you sound pretty
اقل
mad.
رقم هو 7 صح؟
Now someone
No,
give
no,
us a
no.
question in writing form.
اسمع اطلع فوق السما شويه.
Yeah.
ال ار هو 7 صح؟ 7 سي.
I don't
No,
think so. They said it's X.
It's X.
Because it's the least. It's the least. مو أكتر واحد. أقل واحد.
Sami, I don't think he showed how to get it.
Should I show you? I mean, he didn't pay attention. Can I كيف عادي؟
خلاص.
عادي. I can show you. I can show you how to
Okay.
do this question بسرعة.
أنا قصدي
Just
انه
chill out.
خلاص.
Divide 75
Yeah.
over 5,
Take
70
the
over
amount of
4,
moles.
150 over 7.
Divide by the amount you have here, which is 75 over 5, which equals
15.
15.
Sama.
So 15 moles. And then you do 70 over 4. This is for Y. So you have 4 here, 70 here.
17 something.
اوكي
17.
17.5.
150 اوكي خلاص.
And then,
أنا-
yes. And then the one that's least is going to be LR. Or the rest of them is going to be non-limiting.
The rest of them is يعني
شوف
the
يا عرقي ما تقدر تقول 5x ولا 4y لا لازم
That's
تقول
goal
x بس.
X.
Yeah, X is all,
Yeah.
not 5X. It's X on its own.
يعني اكتب ال ار اكس از اكس ولا ايش؟
Yeah,
Yes.
LR is X.
يعني دائما كذا الجواب.
Yeah. Not 3X مش بيدك غلط.
ممكن يكون Y، ممكن يكون C.
يعني-
يعني fine.
استنى ال ار مثلا نقول 7 اكس حقنا على اساس 7 ولا 4 ولا 5.
No, you don't write the 7. You just write X ولا
ما
Y
تكتب
ولا C.
النمبر.
يعني كل الاسئله
آه.
كذا نفسها ال ار.
على LR زي كذا يعني ولا ممكن it could give you mass ولازم longer way but kind of the same
Okay,
idea. I'll show you.
give us the question.
يلا
أنا
read
we
it.
want everything.
أنا
We want everything.
يعني في كل يعني الجواب هو ال ار از اكس حتى مهما كان.
A whatever it is LR is X or
Or
C
LR
or A
equals
or
X. It's the same thing.
yeah, LR is whatever like
طب اسمع لما
NO3 or
اطلع
whatever.
لويس ممتاز، لما اطلع اقل رقم
ايوه
ايش اسوي بعدها؟
بس خلاص.
depends خلاص لو بس
أقول
LR
يعني
خلاص you're done بس
اوكي
ممكن السؤال يقول لك زياده.
اوكي، انا اقصد انه هذيك الرقم اللي على اليمين الاي بي سي، ايش هذاك؟ ايش يقصد يبغى؟
اسحب عليه.
اوكي
هذا
يعني مو حاجه.
السؤال didn't ask about it. السؤال بس just ask what is LR. هذا
اوكي
السؤال
اوكي
just that.
دي بس انا اساسا اني خلاص اوكي فهمت عليك.
Okay.
Yes,
Should I
it
give you
does.
X like X, Y, and Z for this written one? عادي.
No, give us proper ones.
Proper. Okay.
The
Okay.
harder the better.
You got sodium nitrate.
Is this gonna be mass or moles?
I haven't decided that yet.
And don't tell us. We have to figure it out.
Sodium. Aban, give me a compound here.
Sorry.
Give me a compound.
H2O.
No.
that's
Let's
fine.
say sulfuric acid.
So uric
It's an
acid.
H2O compound.
Yeah, it's lame though.
Okay, I'm gonna change my mind. Wait a second. I'm gonna give you something else.
So we don't know
We-
sulfuric acid, I guess.
Let's say I'm gonna give
Water.
you. No. Let's say. ايش تبغى تسوي يعني؟ What's gonna do with that?
But you gotta find which one's LR.
Okay. SO4. SO4.
That's
Sulfate.
بس sulfate كذا بنفسه.
Sulfate. Yeah.
Wait, yeah.
Acid sulfate.
That's it. بس يلا.
And then I guess you get sodium sulfate. And yeah, see,
Yeah. Okay.
and into sodium. Sodium. Oh, big and nitrates. I'll give you the mass. The
How does he does
mass
it?
of sodium
Just write
nitrate
SN.
is.
Like
Probably give me a
Russell.
number.
55.
55
That's
grams
good.
and sulfate is sulfan
37.
37 grams. Find the LR.
Sulfate.
Yep, so also balance it and
يا أخي why?
balance the
Sodium.
I don't want to do this shit again, not again.
Okay. But there's a
Hey,
mistake
wait.
actually.
Yeah, wait. So
you can't
what?
balance this. Well,
It's unbalanced.
No.
I don't understand. What do we put after the equal or the arrow?
actually the arrow turns into
Yeah,
You,
but
you,
like,
sodium
do you remember?
sulfate.
Do you remember the single replacement?
Yeah, it okay.
So
Should I show you? So
it's
Okay,
gonna
okay,
be
here,
NaNO3.
I'm gonna give you the, you got AB plus C, right? This is basically what you got.
There you go.
It turns into AC plus B.
Sah. My bad. Wait. AC. Okay. Wait. So it's gonna be NaSO4 plus NO3.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
That's what
And
happens.
now, how do we balance this?
And then I don't. You guys,
Oh, it's already balanced.
Oh, it is house.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, now let me find the molar mass of this.
Sulfate.
Soma, can
Wait, how do we find the molar? Oh yeah,
Sodium.
my bad.
Sodium's Na,
Okay.
right?
Yeah,
That's what you do
sodium's
on a
Na
table
and
for.
Na is 23.
Na. Nitrates, NO3. Of course. Plus.
55.
48.
I need calculator.
Calculator.
Yes, calculator.
انا بحاول احل السؤال بحط دفن لاني بتاخر فيها وانا احل السؤال.
Yeah, if you got the answers, be quiet. Don't say anything.
Yeah.
Just Mr. Sama.
I don't know the answers. You guys saw me make this up,
All right, hold on.
but you can send it to me, and then you can see if you're right afterwards. If you guys want.
Osama, I sent you a question. Just try to solve it, right?
Aban, what's the molar mass for S?
34.
S. Yes, 32.
32. My bad. 32.
32 plus 16 times 4. That's
Okay, after this, I'll do it. Okay, but how many
Which
moles
one?
of AL are needed for 3.7? How they
Yeah.
determine it?
Yeah, you got that.
Okay, I'll try.
Honestly, what you gonna do with this question?
Mr. Sama, the lowest mass is the LR, or do we have to do something else?
Lowest is LR, yeah. No,
Okay.
lowest. No, lowest moles.
Lowest
Hola.
moles.
Yeah,
Yeah.
lowest
Okay.
moles.
That's. Wait. Yeah.
It could be different though. 'Cause it depends on
I
the
think-
molar mass. You gotta multiply it. Remember? Or
Yeah. But
divide it.
yeah, I think I got my answer. Here, I'll just DM it to you and
So
see.
Osama, how to find the non-limiting equation here?
Non-limiting. You just go n equals m over mm, and then you already have mass. You just find the molar mass using the periodic table. خلاص. You find the moles. which one's smaller.
Non-limiting equation.
Yeah, the other one.
No, non-limiting is gonna be the other one. I don't think.
Sure,
What do you
sure.
mean? Or am I being a dumbass?
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. But
أنا-
actually,
انا الان في مرحله متاخره عنك.
Bro.
انا الان في مرحله متاخره. الان NA
Yeah.
NO2 بلس S صح؟
ايش؟
Yeah, صح.
اي بعدين
لا صوفيت هو الصوفيت لا صوفيت SO3 ولا
SO4.
SO4
it's a 4. Yeah.
بيكون
اوه
هو في الباي اتوميك.
SO4 ممتاز.
ايه
بعدين نروح شو اسمه ريفلكت NA SO4 NO2 نيجاتيف هذه مدري ايش
NO3 بس
ليش؟
عشان هو مو isn't nitrate NO3
Yeah, it's NO3.
nitrite ITE هو NO2
اوكي
ايه بس NA
يعني
What
بس
is the
بس
لا
صح
بس
يعني
معلش غلط الاسم بس الايديا.
الايديا صح
طب اوكي خلاص.
Osama, what is the non-limiting action here?
non-limiting.
Osama,
It's
does
gonna be,
bracket?
I don't know. I don't know the answer.
If I don't put brackets, is he gonna mess
Oh
me
no,
up?
no, you don't have to. I'm just so used to it. I just do it.
Okay.
But if there's no 2 on the outside, you shouldn't write brackets. That's not. I'm doing it wrong.
Oh, okay.
I'm just so used to it. I just automatically do it. And then you get NaSO4
Plus NO3.
Buddy, I'll send you
Yeah,
the answer. Is it correct?
You didn't send me anything.
I'll send you it.
Where?
What's up? Discord.
Actually, there's a mistake, Osama.
في الإيكويشن نفسه.
Is that the LR?
SO4 صح؟ and the SO4
No.
No. Okay.
Mine was the other one.
The other one.
Wait, yeah. There's only 2. I'll double check.
It's your one. What's the? It's SO4
No, my
minus
question is
2.
no, leave this. Can SO4 react
Yeah, I'm sure I'm right.
with NO3?
Osama,
I don't think so because they're both negative. It would just be super negative.
No,
Osama, is sodium nitrate? Is that NaNO3?
Yeah.
Okay, then I think so. That's 55, and then.
And then you guys said it's balanced. I didn't check, but I trust you.
Yeah, I think it's balanced. Yeah. Okay. I don't think I'm right. I'm wrong.
اسمع كيف اعرف انها تكون شو اسمه بين قوسين يعني؟
لا مو لازم. I just look if there's 2 you have to write the
Which one is it?
brackets.
Which one is it?
بس انا كتبت غلط. You don't have to write brackets.
اوكي انا استغربت يعني.
انا مش متعود عشان كذا.
Which one's the LR?
Wait,
The LR? I saw
don't say
Send them Discord. I'll send Discord.
Sultan, the answer you got for yours, what is it?
I'll send you it.
Sodium nitrate. Sodium
What?
طب انا
Did I
شويه
do the
بحاول
calculations
احل
wrong? I got this.
ولا هذا جرام صح؟
nitrate.
خليه grams. You don't change it into anything.
طيب خلاص خليهم يخلصوا بعدين قول لي كيف.
Okay, يلا. Last you guys, I solved.
Yeah, me and Sultan, we got some different things.
Alright,
So
you guys
yeah.
solved.
اي انا
Yeah, okay.
مستني.
So first, we know that sodium nitrate, which is this one, is 55, and SO4 is 37.
Yes.
O is 16,
You
N
did?
is 14, Na is 23,
ثانية
Yeah.
والله ثانية
And
ايوه.
S is 32.
S is 32. Okay, so let's do SO4 first. We got 37 grams. What? The formula we're using already is N over mass over molar mass. And
The
then
molar mass for that is
37 over
96.
32 plus 64.
yeah, 32 plus 64.
You get 0.3.
Let me just make sure because you guys see you got different
Yeah,
answers.
I'll double check too.
الان اللي هو ايش نحن ايش نبغى نطلع الان هذا ايش عشان نطلع؟
نطلع المولز عشان نلاقي which one's
اوكي
less.
اوكي
Fadi, you got it wrong. Fadi, يا حمار.
ايوه
Wait.
اها
Sam,
بس
38.
Okay.
خلينا
Wait,
نطلع.
wait, wait, wait. So far I'm
اسامه
right.
انا
so far.
اسامه
No, أنا الحمار. Yeah, you got it right. You got it right.
Yeah, yeah. Into
Yeah,
الحمار.
yeah.
Okay, and then we do
اسمع
55. Yeah.
شو اسمه؟
كلهم نسوان
خلينا نطلع ولا خلاص اوكي.
I can wait if you want. عادي.
يعني بال 55 انا اطلعها.
Okay, go.
اوكي ثانك يو.
Problem.
thank you. The NR is x plus x.
I don't know where you got 85 from, but يلا.
Yeah, it's 85 ترى.
The other one, not this one. The NaNO4.
None.
كيف بعرف انه اكسجين 16 ولا 14 من ذا؟
من
Look at the
periodic
table.
table.
من ال periodic
اي
table.
بس وين يعني؟
Okay,
لا
let me.
واحد ولا كذا.
So look,
Huh?
you open it. You
ايوه
see the small number top right for clue box.
ايوه 22 ولا
Okay,
إيه؟
شوف oxygen 15.999 شايفه؟
يعني هذا 23 يعتبر.
ايه Na
اوكي
22.9 خليها 23 زي كذا. That's how you find them.
انا احس نفسي بديت افهم history.
The teacher said no definitions.
No
I,
definitions. Yeah.
I don't think so.
He said no
Alright,
definitions.
nice.
Yeah, but I'm just saying.
He did say.
How could
Yeah.
you say something like that and then bring definitions?
That is
got-
something Mr. Ammar would do. That sounds a lot like him.
Guys, bro, school or no school?
But what definitions? I mean, we're gonna review the first question we took after this, but we're basically done. But see, keep recording though.
One minute.
Yeah, take your time.
Hey, thanks, bro.
What's wrong with you, Sultan?
It feels good to be right.
Interesting.
Rate,
Theories, hold on.
rate that out of 10.
Honestly, that's invalid.
You do a better one then.
الجواب 1.03 مولز.
Guys?
No.
No?
No.
ايش؟
NaNO3 0.64.
0.6.
Because it's going to be 55 over 85.
Shuf, it's gonna be 23. Shuf, Ali, did you do this? 23
ايوه 23 حطيت بلس
Plus
14
14.
بلس 16.
No.
plus
لا.
60.
اوه
في 3 هنا.
اوكي
So 16 times
Yeah.
3 or 48.
اوكي صح نسيت.
But if you do the times, I think you have to put brackets, right?
No, because
No, no, no.
you're only timing 16 only, not all of them. If it's all of them, yeah, brackets, but it's only one.
The
No,
multiplication
just
between them
in
is not
case,
that.
I'm going to just solve it
يعني الجواب
properly.
0.64.
ايوه
0.6 for you.
اوكي مخي بدأت. اوكي بدأت اخش
يلا.
ايوه
So-
بدأت.
LR is SO4.
Yeah, because that's the one that's least.
اوكي
Oh, it feels good to be right, baby.
It's the limiting reagent.
This
So
is
what
way
is
better
the
than math.
non-limiting?
It is. I
Non-limiting
was
is
really worried.
NaNO3. Huh, Sama?
Yes.
I was way more worried for this stuff, but it seems really easy now.
Way easier than math.
Yeah. Okay. Nilla, we go back to the first question again.
Yalla, first question, and then we're done.
Yeah, Argy, try to solve this. Maybe you can now after you understood some of this.
اوكي
والله سهل صح ولا لا لقي؟
والله مرة سهل الصراحة.
مرة سهل.
والله مرة
Okay.
سهل. بس انا خايف نت كذا تبيكم نيرفز مره في الاختبار.
عادي عادي، كلم الاستاذ حيساعدك اكيد
والله؟
if
100%.
you show that you actually
Please.
understand شوية he's gonna help you.
اوكي. عاد انا عبد الرحمن كمان اوف كذا يشرب شاي معي. عبد الرحمن اندرستاند ايش تبغى حبيبي انا موجود.
You got. عارف do you understand this lead 2 ولا want me to explain this بسرعة عليه؟ video.
لتو اللي هو
Right.
واحد من براكتس وال ايش اسمه
عارف.
القوسين هذا نحط ما بين صح المهم ايه.
Right, my sound's off. That's why. Hello?
هلا
Yeah, do you know what lead 2 means or no?
الا لت هذه في البراكت في التيبل.
Hey, you know what the 2 means ولا لا؟
آه يعني نحط قوسين بس ماني عارف على الليد ولا على الليد والنايتريت.
لا بس الليد شوف let me write it first and then أقول لك.
يعني نحط اثنين بدون قوسين خلاص
No,
اثنين.
no, it means plus 2. It means
The charge of it.
yeah.
بلس 2 على التشارج يعني حيكون 2. هو
yeah.
0 حيكون 2 صح ولا لا؟
إيه شوف هو يعني
الليد استنى التشارج حق الليد 0 حيصير 2.
it's gonna be plus 2. هو عشان شوف transition metals بوريك the metals in the middle of the table هم يتغيروا. So it could be 2, it could be 3. في السؤال مديك it's 2. عشان
كيف يعني
كده
يمكن يكون 3 ولا 2؟
عشان شوف. Okay, open up the periodic table.
اي ما انا فاتح معك.
Yeah.
ايوه
You see all the metals in the middle? They're group 1, 2.
اي انا حاط بلس 1 بلس 2 على ذا التيبل
إيه.
عشان اعرف.
اللي ما حطيت عليهم they can all change. يقدر يتغيروا.
طيب
عشان كذا حاطين 2. يعني شوف زي الصوديوم ما حطينا عليه ولا شيء عشان it's always the same.
انا داري اوكي.
Yeah.
بس بسأل سؤال.
Yeah.
الان لو جاء مثلا نقول استنى بس خليني افتح بيج 98. هذا لازم اعرفه. اي لو جاء مثلا نقول نايتريت ممتاز.
ايه
نايتريت اللي بالايه.
ايه
المهم
نتريت.
جاء هي وجاء بين قوسين 2 يعني خلاص احط كذا كامل براكت عليهم صح؟
لا ما حيجي زي كذا.
متى اجيب براكت؟ متى احط البراكت على هذون؟
شوف يعني right now شوف it's gonna be nitrate هو
اي
NO3 صح؟
اوكي ايوه
بس في التابل مكتوب NO3 هو نيجاتيف 1 صح؟
ايوه
ما ينفع نيجاتيف 1 وبلس 2 لازم يكون بلس 2 نيجاتيف 2. فهمت
أوكي.
شو قصدي؟ يعني عشان نخليها ماينس 2 نحط براكت ونحط 2 برا. عشان that means we have 2 NO3.
عيد بس بفهم
Isn't sodium iodide? Wait, nitrate. Shit, I didn't read nitrate.
شوف
مم.
معنا PB which is plus 2 عشان نرجع من هنا right؟
اي هذه 2 اسحب عليها الان هذه البراكت.
الحين NO3
اي
on
ان
page 98
في ماينس 1 معنا.
minus 1
نيجاتيف ايوه.
لما احنا معنا compound التوتال لازم يكون
أيوة.
0
لازم يكونوا متساويين يعني.
لازم يكون ايه exactly.
اوكي فهمت عليك.
عشان كذا
جميل.
نحط brackets
اوكي
2 عشان يصير معنا 2 of them عشان minus 1.
طيب الان هذه الثري على الاكسجين صح بس ولا؟
ايه 3 بس على الاكسجين.
طيب يعني
شوف
حيجي الان استنى الان
إيه.
نايتريت 1 ولا؟
نيتروجين
ايوه 1
لا عشان البراكتس 2.
عشان
يعني شوف.
البراكتس 2 الان هو
عشان
1 بس عشان البراكت
ايه
صار 2.
ايه وعشان ال
ولا هو
2
كم صار؟
ايه لو كم صار الحين عشان براكتس
يعني سؤال الان لو جاء غال مثلا رياكت لا يعني مثلا لو جاء زي كيف اشرح لك لو جاء حق البلس ما بينهم شيء بين البي والبي والنايتريت.
بس كذا NO3 بس بنفسها
اي خلاص تصير نفسها ما لها دخل.
يصير
ما
N
مو لازم اخليها ايكوال مع البي.
لا لو بلس عاد تصير زي ما هي ما بسوي
أوكي.
لها بالانس. ايه
يعني اخليها ايكوال مع الرقم مع البيفور.
مع اللي هو في الجروب حقه يعني
أي
بلس
أوكي.
خلاص سيب اللي بعده.
اوكي اندرستود.
Yeah.
بس هذا الان هذا على اللي في شو اسمه اللي في الكومن بليمتوميك ايونز صح؟
هو اتوميك ايون زيه
هو بس هذا ينطبق على بس only this.
البراكتس
ايوه
2 ايه ايه
اوكي
عليه كله 2 مش يكون زي كذا بس يعني
أوكي.
النيتروجين يصير 2 يعني يصير معنا 2 نيتروجين يعتبر والاو يصير 6 عشان تايمز 2.
اوكي اي
فهمت؟
اي لان هم مندمجين.
ايه
اوكي خلاص understood. بس انا اقصد مثلا بي تشارج 2 بس
إيه.
اكسجين جنبها التشارج كم المهم تشارج كم حق الاكسجين اتوقع 3 صح؟
Oxygen لا is it? Actually could be if you're right. لا
لا
2.
ماينس 2 اي ماينس 2 فما له دخل ماينس 2 بوزيتيف 2
خلاص
صح؟
كويس we're good now خلاص كذا done.
طيب
plus 2 minus 2
استنى اذا بدل اكسجين نقول اذا بدل اكسجين نيتروجين كذا مو نيتروجين
minus 3.
لازم يكونوا متساويين.
شوف the easy way to do it لازم يكونوا متساويين.
اوكي
easy way خلي بي بي شوف نيتروجين هو minus 3 صح؟
ايه
يعني خلي بي بي 3 بي بي plus 2 خلي نيتروجين 2.
عيد بس عيد شويه. ايه
نيتروجين شوف يعني كأنه
آه.
cross multiplication تاخذ ال 3 هنا
ايه
you put it here
اوكي مو هذه
2 اللي هنا وخلاص كذا صار البالانس.
اوكي
That's the easy way of doing it.
Okay,
سيم
يلا let's start solving.
اوكي
يلا الحين بعدها sodium Na and Na is plus 1 but then iodide هو I which is minus 1 يعني خلاص
Minus 1.
good.
And now we multiply PB with I.
And then sure, this is the double replacement. So I, PB, and NO3 with
with
Na.
Na.
Yeah. So you get PB and I plus
I
We
too
don't-
Sam I2
Yeah,
yeah,
I too.
I'm gonna write it. I'm just like it's balancing عشان ألاقي
You
Sure.
don't have to write the what's called it
Na.
charge here.
You don't. I mean, you don't have to write any of these charges. I'm just doing it so Adi gets it.
You don't have to write charges here.
No, you don't. You don't. I'm just showing Adi.
Oh, okay.
I was doing this to show Adi how to do it.
All right.
And then you
And-
have NO3, and then if you have
Oh
multiple
shit,
NO3,
I have to remember. So wait, why do we put Na first? Because it's a non-metal.
yeah.
it's a metal. It's a metal. That's why we put it first.
Okay.
The order is metal, non-metal.
Okay, non-metal, non-metal.
It gets more complicated later, but right now this is all we're at.
All right.
And then now we balance it because PB is plus 2, and iodine is only minus 1. We have to put 2 here to even it out.
And then we have to
Na.
put 2 on the other side.
Na is plus 1. NO3 is minus 1, but we already have 2 Na.
So we have
2
to
NO3. I mean
put a bracket and put 2.
bracket 2, which means this has to be 2. So instead of writing the 2's, you can just put a 2 up here. And because you have 2 Na and 2 I, you have to put a 2 over here to balance it out.
Yes right.
Who's a monster?
It's advanced Mike.
Okay.
And now you just take them each on its own with its charge.
Yeah, and now there's no need to have charges because it's all balanced now. No, this is not ionic.
Oh, yeah, okay. So
This is the long ass one.
yeah,
No,
but
no.
I forgot what did this question ask? Just
This is
to
it's
just
gonna have
valid.
A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, the first part is just a balance, and there we go. That's the first part done.
Okay, first part done. Second part.
Second part is gonna say. Doesn't write it all over again. Or can I just give you the numbers?
Just give us the numbers.
You have
Sam,
25.
I2 it's ionic compound.
Which one's
Ah.
ionic? All of them? ولا إيش؟ have
PbI2 it's ionic compound.
PbI2. I don't know what it is. It's
Of them,
something.
Osama, is 25.
This is that's 25, and this is 15. It says sodium nitrate, which is this one. How many grams of this? That's for B. That's for question B. And then question D asks, what's this one?
Okay. صلى على النبي. Let's do one at a time.
Or and then okay, I'll leave E for the last thing.
Okay, PB equals. Does PB exist, or is it? Do I have to take them by itself?
No,
It does,
PB
right?
is one
Yeah,
thing.
it does. Yeah, 207.
Osama, there's another way to like. Is there like other ways to find the mass without using the LR? The LR.
I mean, you're not using LR. You're using this formula.
Yeah, I'm talking about the other side, right?
This side.
Yeah.
I don't. This is the only way we've learned.
No, right. No, because like if you're gonna go back with your notebook and your notebook, you're gonna find like some questions about the math. We use something called, wait a second. There you go. We use n equal mass over oh no, that's
This is what we're doing right now. N equals mass over
yeah,
mass.
wait a second, another thing. That's like when I say what is the mass of the reactant? No, yeah, we use the molar mass and multiplied by the coefficient. Is that right?
Well, I think that's a different case than this. Remember the one I
Because
asked you about the 0.05 to 0.1 or Na2? This one?
no, but no, I think not because look, if, wait, I'm gonna send you this.
But see, that was when we didn't have the mass. So we just kind of, it's basically kind of like a guess. We changed all the masses, but since we have a given mass, we have to do this instead.
Look, what you say?
Doing like the way you said, that's basically kind of finding the ratio.
But
Okay.
that no.
It's like basically that's basically what it is. This we already have the numbers. It won't work if we do it the other way. You won't get the same answer. You can try it. I don't think you'll get the same answer.
Yeah, I try. I'm not get the same answers.
Exactly. That's because that one is like the ratio is correct, but because we already have the mass, it's gonna be different.
No, we don't have the mass. He's asking for the mass.
Here we have the mass here.
Oh,
We
here,
already
okay.
have masses given, so it'll be a different answer. But
But do you remember when the mister said like if you're gonna find the like number of mole is gonna be the same as it's gonna be the same like in all the equation.
yeah, but that's a perfect equation though. This is not perfect. This is we're gonna have leftover.
It should be like perfect equation.
Yeah, this is like because here we have a limiting a reactant, we have a non-limiting. In the equation where Mr. gave us the example for perfect, for like the law of conservation of moles, it's perfect. It'll all react.
Okay. Thank you.
Like remember the car and the boxes, the wheels and the boxes?
Yeah.
Like a perfect one would be three boxes and 6 wheels. So it has 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So you can use
So,
them all, right? But
yeah.
in this equation's case, it's gonna be like 5 boxes and 6 wheels. You're gonna have boxes left over. So you can't use the law of conservation of moles here.
So can you solve the question that I sent to you? It's about the aluminum
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay.
because I want to see like what's the answer.
Okay, let me see if I can solve this. Okay. We got 4Al.
Sama,
Yeah,
both my things are the same amount of moles.
that's wrong.
Babe, can you help me out here?
Okay, let me just write this and all. Okay. 2Al. 3. Okay, let's see. So okay, so it's gonna be 25,
25 over 207.
107
Oh,
plus
207 plus 14 plus 48.
14 times 2,
14 times 3, isn't it?
2.
NO3?
No, too.
14, yeah, and O3.
Oh, 3.
And then 2 on the outside,
Oh,
so 14 times 2. And then it's gonna
oh.
be
Okay, my bad.
16 times 3 times 2.
Okay, instead of that, I'm just gonna do 14 times 2 is 28. And O times 2?
O times 2 times 3.
O times 2.
Or
Okay.
times 6.
So I'll just do this times 2.
You get why?
Yeah, I do. So it's gonna be 25 bracket 207 plus 28. 28 plus 48 close bracket times 2. Is it gonna be 0.04?
No, 0.075. How much, what's the molar mass you got?
My molar
me-
mass is 207
Yeah,
for PB plus 28 because of the
yeah.
number of plus 48, and then I close the bracket and then I times 2. Or is it that's wrong because
No, because you already multiplied this by 2. If you want to do the bracket thing, it's going to be 14 plus 48, and then times 2.
Okay, so what? So what do I do
Or-
now? Just times 2 at the end, or
Like this, like what I just wrote. Let me
what if I
circle
don't
it.
want to do the brackets? Is it
If you-
0.075?
Yeah, 0.075.
Okay,
If you don't want to do the bracket, you do 14 times 2.
Yeah, and no brackets, just times 2 at the end.
Yeah, and then plus 207 over here.
Okay, so this is equals 0.07, and the other one will be. I think the other one's actually right. 0.09, right?
No,
Okay, let me check. Oh, because there's 2 Na. So it's gonna be 15 over 2 Na 24 times 2 is 48 plus 127.
you have to multiply both of them by 2. Just 2 Na and 2I. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. So 48 plus 127 times 2. 0.04?
0.05. Look, let me,
0.049. So 0.05.
yeah, you did a little mistake. It's supposed to be exactly. It's gonna be 15 over 300. That's the number you're supposed to get.
No,
طيب دقيقة.
we finished.
It's 23. No, we didn't finish.
127 times 2, that's 254 plus 48. Wait,
No,
300 or 302?
it's Na, not N. You're supposed to use 23.
24.
It's just wait, where is
NA
it?
is, NA is 24.
No, it's 22.9.
Oh shit, my bad.
Yeah, so you're a little off. If you started solving this, we'll give you the basically
Yeah.
you basically get the right answer. It's gonna
Okay.
be off by like just a small amount, so Mr. would let us slide.
So what's the number?
0.05.
0.05. So we already found LR.
Yeah,
And now we
then
substitute this to find the other mass.
both the masses, and then that's C and D and B. That's gonna be
Okay,
done if we find both
okay.
masses.
Let me solve this real quick. 1 second.
So basically, you found C, you did A.
0.05 equals mass over. Okay, 2 times N.
Okay, so let's do this. So here we know that this is 3.7 moles, right?
Yeah.
Because that's all we have. We're gonna assume that also this and this are 3.7 moles. That's all the information given. We need to assume that. Assume
No,
it's perfect.
wait a second, 1 second. I want to see the question because I think I wrote wrong. So listen.
And then how many moles of Al? Yeah, I mean, seems.
Oh,
That's an easy question. It's gonna be 3.7. Actually, wait, no. Wait. Could change. If we maybe divide by 4 then. If it's
yeah, I think it's gonna be divided by 4, huh?
yeah, divide by 4. No, all the way around. 3.7
It's gonna
divided
divide
by
by
4.
4.
It's gonna be like 0.9 something around that. Let me do the
Osama
calculator.
is the mass 5.5?
Mass is which one?
The scroll up. For B.
B, and mass is I'm pretty sure it's 8.5.
8.5, yeah.
Okay, what did I do wrong? 0.05. I open bracket. 48 plus 14 plus 48.
0.5 open bracket.
0.05.
So yeah, 0. So
Open
NA,
bracket.
yeah,
NA is 48 plus
no, it's 23, and then you have 2 of them.
23. I
Yeah,
mixed it
I
up
did
again.
the same mistake as you.
23 times 2. Okay, so 46.
46.
Hang on, let me just 0.05. 46 plus 14 plus
14.
48.
2 14s.
2 14s also. Shit. Okay,
So
so
yeah,
28.
28, and then it's gonna be plus 48 times 3. Actually, no, just 48. Just 48.
That's 48.
Yeah.
But I got 6.1 now.
Wait, did we do something wrong? Oh, we didn't balance this, did we? Oh yeah, 2. Oh no, 6. Wait, no, yeah, 6 times 3.
So times 3 at the end.
Wait, times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
Okay, 8.5.
Yeah.
But wait, why do we times 2?
Because 48 is 30, and then we have a 2 over here, so it's also times 2.
Oh, so we have to use this 2 on everything?
Yeah, the big 2 on all the way on the left. That's
Yeah.
gonna use it for everything.
Oh, okay, okay.
Or if it's 3, or if it's 4, if it's 5, use that for everything.
Yeah, okay. So, and that equals to 8.5. So,
yeah.
did I solve everything?
You solved B, A, and C. You got D and E left.
D and E. What do you want for D?
D, we want PBI2,
The mass?
the mass, yeah. So same
Okay,
thing,
Same
but
thing,
for
same thing.
PB.
0.5 equals mass over.
So that's just the question, right? And the answer will be 0.925.
Yeah. So how to get the non-limiting reaction?
What do you mean non-limiting reaction?
شيخ يا الله. Why this reaction? Reactant, I'm sorry.
Reactant? Here there isn't, because all the moles are the same. So this is like a perfect. This is like perfect scenario, kind of like an. So it's all just balanced, not balanced, but it's all gonna get used. All the AL and all the O, they're gonna get used completely.
Mhm.
There's nothing left.
I'm
Is
talking
it
about that
20?
in general.
Is it 23.05?
23. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. What? And then I think I have one more left.
And then E, yeah. E is gonna ask how much of the non-limiting is gonna be left. Remember how to
Okay,
do
so
that?
I think I minus both of them.
Yeah, you take this total and minus it from this total, or other way around. But it's gonna be, yeah, you get it. I think, right?
The total. Wait, the total. Total what?
So you're gonna take the total of this side
Wait. Total of
minus the
mm.
reactants, total of the reactant side.
Okay, yeah, but what's the number? Molar mass?
No, mass. It's gonna ask how
Oh,
many
okay,
grams are left. Ask how many
okay.
grams are left.
Oh, yeah, okay. So I just do 25 plus 15,
Yeah,
40, and then minus what are the other 23.05 minus 8.5. Wait, no, I have to add them. Hang
you
on.
have to add them first. So it's gonna,
It's gonna be 8 point something. Yeah.
1 second.
think so.
8.4.
Uh,
8.41.
It's gonna be 31.55 plus 40
Wait, no,
minus
minus.
sorry.
Minus.
So hang on. Shit. 23.05, 8.5, 31.55,
0.55. Yeah,
40 minus 31.55, 8.45.
exactly. Yeah.
Okay, nice. Yalla, easy. Took
How's
me
it
a
finished?
while, but
And
yalla.
then like the NA mistake you make, it's like I did the same one when we did it in class.
Yeah.
It changes the answer by a really small amount. So Mr. is gonna,
So he'll give it to me.
yeah. If you do too many though, like if you do it like 2 or 3 times, it's gonna really throw off the answer. I only did it once, so that's why my answers were really
I'll
close.
try not to mess it up.
Yeah. Just like check your answers like 15 times, make sure you know it's good.
That's if I have enough time to also check.
Well, I mean, this is half the test. What you just did right now is half the test.
Why do I have a feeling he's only gonna give like one question of this and like 5 other questions of like different shit?
He's gonna do that.
This, to be honest, is kind of easy. The only hard part about this is balancing, and balancing, I think I got the hang of it.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Way easier than math.
الآن نشوف الفهرس اللي هو تعرف الليسنز بإيش كام وكذا.
The chapters lesson كم يعني؟
اي يعني هذا لسن كم وهذه الصفحة كم، فهمت؟
هذا lesson 7.3 صفحة ما
طيب
أدري.
هنا مشكلة أنا فاتح يعني اللي هو VII 3I V 3I.
V is potassium.
No.
No.
What?
Vanadium.
But
I don't know. Man.
V is
Vanadium.
V. Vanadium.
V3 طيب.
لا
Let's write it
لا
down here.
انسى اللي قلته. الآن أفتح الميستري
طيب.
وأفتح أروح على الصفحة الخامسة XI بالروماني 5. فهمت علي؟
Omen.
طيب.
إيه.
طيب. What about X?
الصفحة اللي قبلها
X.
اكس
اللي
اي ايش هو اكس اي؟
قبلها اللي IX قبلها 4. هذه الآن ممتاز تشوف الكلام كله ذا يعني lessons واسم الشابترز.
ايوه.
ايوه.
ايش اسم الشابتر حقنا؟
Documentary. Yeah.
See chemistry. شوف investigation
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
هذا هو يعني هذا
ايوه
ميسنج 7.
اي investigation 7 see chemistry هذا اسم الشابتر.
علي
طيب.
حتاخذها حتحطها في اليوتيوب and you're gonna get even more confused.
هذا اللي بسويه والله بالعربي لكن بترجم
بترجم.
يعني بروح قصدي الان مترجم في ترجم ذا واروح ابحث بالعربي لان فهمت على طول المهم وصلت فكره. المهم على
أيوة.
الاقل على الاقل ايش اطلع بكرامه
اطلع.
والله.
الحمد لله على كل شيء.
الحمد لله على كل شيء.
way
انا
way
سلام.
الان
way easier
مسجل
than math.
حقين حق 6 ساعات الان الين الفجر بعدين يقول لك يلا بنزلها بعد ما يسهر.
والله حرام والله حرام. اسامه
Uh,
save the picture. I mean what? Save the picture.
yeah, it's not a take picture.
Awesome, we're done. We good, everyone?
I think we're
يلا.
good, yeah.
I think
And then
we're good,
tomorrow we can do some revision in Islamic.
Yeah, we'll ask him. He's gonna say yes. We don't have anything for something anyways. Yeah.
ايوه ستوب الحين عشان ما يطول.